it's the crack of dawn. But on my screen, you're really turning it on. Glowing like a diamond in the early light. Yeah, you're doing everything to make the future look bright. Painting a picture with your green candlesticks. But honey, I'm wise to all your little tricks. You look so perfect, you look so clean. The prettiest illusion I have ever seen. You pull a crypto rabbit from a worn out hat. You say your losses weren't that bad. Imagine that. It's just a sweet little fiction for the opening bell. A story that I know all too well. You're just a pre-market mirage, baby. Looking so real, but you're just crazy. And when the sun gets high and the truth comes through, I'll be making my money by shorting you. Oh, you beautiful pre-market mirage, I see right through. See 'em running in the desert, dying of thirst. They're all believing that they got there first, chasing after water that was never there. Just a trick of the light and the hot morning air. But my eyes are clear, baby, I'm hydrated and cool. 'Cause I made a promise I would not be the fool. No, not me, baby. You pull a phase 1 trial from up your sleeve, giving all the hope. There's a reason to believe it's just the same old story for the opening bell. And I'm the only one who knows it's going straight to, well, you're just a pre-market mirage, baby. Looking so real, but you're just crazy. And when the sun gets high and the truth comes through, I'll be making my money by shorting you. Oh, you beautiful pre-market mirage, I see right through. This ain't my first rodeo, it ain't my first show. I know the shimmer, I know that special glow. Behind the curtain there ain't nothing there, just empty pockets and a silent prayer. And I ain't praying, baby, I'm getting paid. Oh, look at you go. Oh, you're just a pre-market mirage, baby. Looking so real, but you're just crazy. And when the sun gets high and the truth comes through, I'll be making my money by shorting you. Oh, you beautiful pre-market mirage, I see right through. Fading away now, like you always do. So pretty, yeah. You're fading in the sun, baby, but so fake. See you when the market opens.
I see you shining, baby, on the screen. Another rocket launch, a manufactured scene. The chatter's buzzing loud, the retail's buying in. They think they found the gold, where do I even begin? Volume's climbing high, charts are looking green. But I got a different vision, a different kind of scene. My fingers on the trigger, my conviction's wearing thin. 'Cause everybody's got to end. They're talking moon and stars, a stratospheric flight. But I'm here in the shadows, waiting for the fading light. They built it up so high on hopes and empty claims. Just a house of cards playing dangerous games. that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Saw this play 100 times, it's nothing new to me. Flashing news and promises for all the world to see. No fundamental reason, just pure and empty hype. While the insiders are prepping for the final perfect strike. Call me cynical, baby, that's just fine with me. But I see the truth behind what they want you to see. You play the hype machine, you sold them all a lie. Now it's time to watch your little paper kingdom die. From that precarious peak, oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Yeah, waiting for it. Hold down. Oh, here it comes, baby. Watch it all fall down.
You know the steps. Ha, let's get it. 6 a.m. the coffee's hot and brewing. Scanner's light is cutting through the ruin. Found the one, that diamond in the rough. What's on the crypto treasury? Ain't that funny stuff? They're buying in, they think they struck some gold. About to watch the greatest story ever sold. The volume's pumping so loud and clear, but I hear a different rhythm in my ear. And oh, I see it climbing, what a scene. 1,000 buyers glued up to the screen. But I ain't sweating, nah, I'm cool and calm. Cause the DJ's about to play my favorite song. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. The fadeaway funk. The FOMO's kick and see them lose their heads. Believe in every single word that's said. Our earnings call a wild success. It just means the company's a slightly smaller mess. I find my entry clean and so precise. Don't have to think it over, don't have to check it twice. Cause I've seen this movie, baby, and I know the end. Here comes the final scene, my friend. Oh, I see it topping out, what a view. The panic setting in for the whole darn crew. But I ain't selling, baby, I'm just getting warm. Cause this is just the quiet before the storm. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Some people call it gambling, say it's just a guess. But this ain't random, baby, this is chess. It's a rhythm, it's a beat that I can feel. The pump is the illusion, but the fade is real. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Come on, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Oh, the fade away.
All right, good morning, traders. That music is absolutely insane. Perfect Fall, the man behind the lyrics. Excellent work. I mean, like I just said, humans, are we even needed anymore? To be able to create music like that, via AI. It's like the track is good, the lyrics. Like, how much time does it take Perfect Fall to? I mean, do you just give it some sample material, like put in kind of the theme, halt down this, halt down that, and let it rip tater chip? Because that is unbelievable. Well, traders, thank you, by the way. Perfect Fall. Excellent, excellent music. Those always cheer me up. And to have that 10-minute compilation on, I mean, I know the traders gets them all fired up for the trading day. I had my interview with Michael Katz this morning on as far as the funded trading goes. So I'm very excited about that. It was a great interview. Really excited for that to be posted, hopefully within a few weeks or so. The editor will have that going on a little bit. I want to show you guys something real quick before we get going too. I work fast. I work very fast. So you'll see under my videos now, I got Green Team kind of merch up because Friday night live stream went very well. I mean, that was such a hit having Fades and Byron on here. We got to do it again. I mean, there was that thing. That thing is just growing in views. Had like 20 some likes, a lot of comments. So appreciate you guys. But yeah, got some Green Team stuff going. I actually ordered. If you want to wait to see the quality, you can till I get some of my stuff. But yeah, I got this Green Team hat right here. That's fire, man. That Green Team hat. I got this white one on the way. I really like that hat. Should be here this week. I mean, they print it and produce it very quick. This is fourth wall. So they work very quick. I like that. Love that about them. This is embroidered, by the way. So there are some like cheaper options, like if it's just printed. I like higher quality stuff though. So I like the embroidery on some of these shirts. This is a ride or ride out shirt. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, go through that when you get some time. Oh, I like this hat too. The Risk and Rich. I don't have any tattoos, but if I were to get one, this would be what I would get. The Risk Rich. You only get rich if you inherit it or you take risk. The only really two ways in life. So, guys, that's the merch. I worked on that over the weekend. But outside of that, this is funded account day number 2. Day 1 on Friday was down $50. Let's see what's going to happen today. I know a couple of you have already been trading this morning. JFB, Perfect Fall, and Fades. And Fades is in the wing, so I want to get him on in here to see what he's watching this morning, how his pre-market's been going. Mr. Fades, good morning. Happy Money Monday. Did you have a good weekend?
Good morning, guys. Yep, great weekend. Didn't take too long for Monday to get here. We're back at it. Yeah, been a great start as well. Like the new music and the merch shop. That's awesome, dude. I'm definitely gonna have to check that out. Grab a hat or something.
Yeah, they already shipped it. I mean, I ordered it like yesterday, and so they print it, ship it real quick. So I'll let you
Yeah,
know how that quality is. I'm gonna be wearing that sometime this week when it gets in, but
yeah.
I'm
Maybe
excited
I'll
about
get
that
there
because
with you.
yeah, for a karaoke night, gonna be repping the Green Team.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
yeah, JFB, is that the one you were working this morning? I
yeah,
mean, it looks like
yeah,
it had a perfect VWAP crack. Let's take a
yeah.
look at it.
We talked. Yeah, I had told you Friday night. I actually overnighted that. I study these
Oh,
after hours a lot. Now that we can leverage those stops, I'm on it, dude. Like either I'm waking up early or I'm taking it after hours. So I made a good bit on it after hours, and I actually overnighted it as well. Cleaned up on the stop this morning perfectly. Re-smacked it for sloppies. Working it again. I mean, this thing has just been a honey hole so far. Um, it's kind of a little late, too late to alert. I guess I could have maybe alerted on Friday afternoon, but yeah, that was just a picture perfect after hour pump and dump that I like to see.
yeah.
So
So I mean, great. So you can rest easy at night knowing you have that stop on now, huh?
exactly, and oftentimes I'll manipulate out, but since it had already put that liquidation sweep kind of after hours and faded, like all that action was after hours and it already corrected like way off that high. So that's where I had a good risk level to go off of.
Does it ever cancel it? Does it cancel it like overnight or next day
Well,
or?
I just started using stops because like we're helping each other out a lot. I didn't know I could use stops after hours, and I didn't know I could take payouts so soon. So now I know those things, and like
Yeah,
that's working in my favor. So
those
that,
little
yeah,
stops, they don't cancel them out like over next day or
I
overnight.
don't believe I'm not overnight at least. I know
Okay.
they do the auto liquidation, and they might cancel them. They might cancel orders going into after hours, maybe. I know, auto liquidate and maybe
Okay.
that, but after night, like overnight, they're not going to cancel your orders like into the morning. So, but yeah, besides that, STKH, that was a beautiful fade too. Set it and forget it. Hit it a little bit, put my stop in, went back to sleep for just a little bit, woke up. I continued to work. And
Uh,
that's the thing, with these pre-market fades. If you're on it, if you just wake up and check your scanner and see a good setup and set your stop, I mean, you can just wake up and just print money first thing in the morning. Like,
are you working the funded or getting that 50K eval? You're working
yeah,
it
I'm doing a little
live.
bit of both. I traded a little bit on my funded since it's not market hours. I don't have to worry about that rule. So I've already traded a little bit on both. Nice little profit on the day. So, just now I'm being a little more patient, seeing what's going to set up next. Let's take a look at the scanner right now.
Look, so APLT was such a beautiful hangover, and then they just came out with bad news. I had it on the watch list for a short today. Look at this hangover, right against the 120s, and
One second.
snap she goes.
Oh my
Uh,
God,
it's reminding me of C-pop.
dude.
uh, yeah,
That's
yeah. She was so QMMM, dude, is grayed out. Are they in like a T12?
Are they?
I like that's just my guess. I don't know unless they change their ticker symbol to something else. But oh, it is. Hang on,
We need to be
926.
watching that.
Oh, it is a T12.
Yeah,
Oh
we should.
man, wow! I could have been stuck in this, dude, because I was trying to hit it the last few days.
I
The fact
know,
that
man.
they're in a T12, 7:50 p.m. on Friday. Yeah, okay, that's why we didn't see it because it was right near 8 p.m. on Friday night.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
it was grayed out, and I'm like, what is going on? So they're gonna do that could last like months. The T12s are the scary ones.
Yeah.
Um,
Wow. What a ticker, dude. Held like 2,000 something percent gains. Like on what? What did it even do? Like, what was the news?
Nothing.
Like, that's insane, man. They just like squeezed shorts and held them there. Like something. There's like some massive thing behind it, like big money involvement. Like,
Yeah, it went to 300 plus. It was actually I mentioned it on my interview this morning because it on my equity curve, I had a few dips. QMMM was one of them. I took like
Mhm.
10 shares there and lost all my profits on the day plus more. It was a nasty play. I mean, it just like I do very well when I set my stops. when I get into something, it just shoots straight up from there. It went from like 100
Right.
to 150 or something like immediately, and 10 shares, 500. Like, dude, some people got absolutely murdered on that play. Uh, yeah.
Yeah. You're not kidding, dude. You're not
So
kidding.
I mean, I'm not tunneling on Pep G today, guys, but I mean, I probably will be watching this one again and see if we get that fade.
Yeah.
DVLT is interesting penny play that's grinding higher. BIAF could be hangover. That had all
Mhm.
the longs on it. It's a low float, so I'm going to be tight here, but it
Yeah.
would that one against like 550 is probably not bad. I mean, if it starts climbing up to 550, be done with it. But that one could fade back down to 4 and lower.
Mhm. Yeah,
Um,
PUBG and BIAF have a similar feel to them. One of them might give us that hangover like follow through that we need.
yeah, I need to take.
Let's see. MSS parabolic right now up 400%.
8:30 News secures a $70 million private placement to launch the worldwide coin. That was like part
Oh
of
my god, am I about
Perfect
to have
Ball's
to hit this
song.
thing a
That's
little
pretty funny.
bit? There's a bunch of wicks at 6 right now, a decent level to take a starter off of. I'm seeing on the 5 minute chart a lot of wicks up at that 6 range. Let's see, it's kind of bouncing a bit right now. Um,
Let me look left of the chart here.
you said
See, I'm
what
like
world
getting
coin?
too hesitant. Like with my funded, I don't want to take these. I don't know if that's a problem.
Yeah, right.
I'm
First
like,
thing in the morning, man, especially up to 70 million private placement. What what is this? What is
I'm
this?
just like, I want to focus hangovers with the funded because I know
JFB,
those are gonna be.
yeah. JFB continuing to pay. I'm still working that thing. I have my stop, so I'm just relaxed. I've been moving the stop down, re-hitting, smacking, milking. I'm still in the grain there on a leftover position. I'm working several leftover positions there. See if it's going to continue to give it up or not.
Perfect
It's
fall.
already
You wanna jump in here? Or you're
it's
busy. I
already
know you got the daddy thing going on, but you're welcome any morning. You're welcome to jump in here. NUAI is kind of interesting too. NUAI, dude, that one was like if it's gonna. Oh yeah, this one's not bad. Perfect fades.
mm-hmm.
NUAI, look at the upper wick this thing put in on the daily Friday, up from 30 cents low
Oh wow.
and 255 it just hit. So
NUAI, yeah, that's
it's
interesting.
an
Okay.
energy
It's
play,
worth
but
it.
it could be getting exhausted. Well,
It's worth it.
184, you see, is popping off a previous close. That's a level to be mindful of.
MSS, I'm keeping an eye on this thing. I'm gonna stab it small if it continues to get weak here in this wick. It's up a bunch, so I'll play with it small. It's already past 9 though, so I'm on my eval now. Like I'm not on the funded. I'm you know working the eval now. But here we go. It's up 400 something percent.
I'm
If it
curious
crashes below 5, yeah.
what the
I mean
short locates are here.
I might chase it small
Sure.
size, like on a breakout or on a breakdown under 5, right? Because like there's going to be a lot of support at that 5 level, and the longs are all watching it. It's just had a nice spike, and man, it might not even be done
Short
yet.
inflow.
So my idea with
1.29.
that,
Okay.
since it's up so much, right, it needs to confirm for us. So I'll chase it small size on a breakdown. Like that's how I kind of feel right now at this time of day. Like it's not worth trying to top it or like
Yeah.
if it gets really weak, I'll chase it small size. That's my opinion on that. MSS, but definitely going to be on watch with the potential there because obviously up 500%, like it will pay. Shorts with time, the patient ones that get good entries. So that's on watch for sure.
Okay.
Let's
Let me
see.
run through
Yeah.
these. I'm gonna hit the bathroom.
Okay. Yeah. PepG and BIAF both have a similar feel to them. MSS, is it going to crash now? Just put in another big wick towards 6.
Yeah, and it got slammed hard right there.
Yeah. You heard
Huh.
me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's
5K.
like I'm going to chance it for the. If it, like, again, if 5 gives up and it flushes down, I'll probably chase it small size of the starter and kind of see what's going to happen. But it's starting to
Okay.
get heavier. Starting to get heavier. It came from $1, so I mean, there's no telling. This thing could give it up like crazy. It's that same theme news. Like, is the market going to buy it up again? It feels like that theme is getting dumped a little harder, right? Like, it's not holding up quite as strong as it's been typically. That whole treasury offering situation. It's getting a little bit weaker.
Yeah, it is.
I'm taking a starter, but I just don't want to get chopped out at support here.
Yeah, been chopped out.
Watch out for that wash under 4. I'm thinking I'm gonna take a little bit. It's getting weak. I'm in.
You're in MSS. Oh man. Yeah, that was looking weak right there. Did you get a good fill?
Yeah, I mean, I'm in at 5 or 4, but it's like I wish I would have got a little bit better. But that was my plan. I mean, it's I only got 100 shares, so decent sized starter for the volatility of the stock. But also, kind of when you're chasing that breakdown, when it does confirm, like it's just giving it up now. Like I said,
It's got clear resistance. I mean, back over 5 now though.
mm-hmm. Any kind of sloppy is a good opportunity, but it might not give it. It might just wash straight to 3s. See if 4 or 5 gives it some kind of support. Set a stop at.
Yeah, I don't want to chase it, but like if it does pop, I mean 520 I like as the risk guide at this point.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, any kind of bounce towards like high fours could be hit.
But this is where, I mean, the concern is this is where a lot of the chat rooms are going to be. So it's
Yeah,
going to be
it
a
just
little
broke a
crowded.
key level. So yeah, it just broke a key level. So really, like five is everything. Like heavy under five, like above five, it gets sketchy again. That's my opinion. Like that five was just so key if you look at the chart.
Oh, by the way, this AQMS is kind of interesting too. 750 is a decent risk guide on AQMS.
EQMS, I think I remember that one.
Yeah, it was a big play Friday.
MSS still heavy. Giving this one a lot of focus because it's up so much. AQMS, let me see. Mason? Or no, you're watching. Okay,
Yeah, I'm kind of flipping back and forth. I mean, AQMS, I like it against 750s, but it has clear like 670 support. It held up pretty well on. It's a metals play, which I haven't
mm-hmm.
been a huge fan of playing those.
Yeah, this thing's freaking dumping, dude. Longs are getting washed out.
Oh, 420s now. Good work there.
That five break was so key. It just totally gave it up. Like every warrior and their mother was watching that five break.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a good morning so far, so I'm gonna be cautious in the bell and kind of just chilling. Um, big bid now just showed up. I'm gonna take some profit, see if it's real.
JFB might still have some room to fade too.
Oh yeah, I'm still sitting on that thing. That thing's just been a freaking honey hole, dude.
Well, I mean, what even was the news in after hours JFB
I think it
yesterday?
was an IPO. Dude, I don't even know. I couldn't even
Uh,
find it on StockTwits to like do some DD, and then it is showing up on StockTwits now.
44 million private placement.
See, that's and that thing just annihilated shorts again, like stubborn shorts that were over leveraged and over convicted, just wiped out that after hour chart. I mean, just brutal, you know. Luckily, I caught it at the tail end, and I saw it right at the top. I was shorting that thing from like I think 16, 15 bucks. Overnighted it for another nice trade, and then hit sloppies again this morning. Like just a beautiful chart, beautiful chart.
Yeah, I mean, I could see that thing staying heavy. Trying
Yeah,
to
feels
formulate a
very
little
heavy.
watch list.
Feels
Formulate
very
a little watch
heavy.
list here.
I mean, you can even get involved now off like 11 fives or definitely 12. But we are approaching the bell, so cautious.
Yeah,
MSS covered, but watching. A big bidder showed up at 4.3, which is that wick down in support. Might find some support there.
she's king of the day, so I'm kind of sitting back on MSS.
Yeah, but also when King of the Day gives it up and gets real bearish, like it can just really get ugly quick, kind of
Yeah.
like he is. So keep an eye on that 4.3 level. If it gives it up, it's just washing lower, and I'll be chasing again with small size and just same process again. Rinse repeat.
Miranda, good morning. PAIO. PAIO. Oh, James. Okay.
POF. Yep, good call out.
Was it
POAI. Is this the theme,
POAI?
guy?
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
that's lower. Restabbing, small size. And I'm gonna be now. I'm gonna shift. I'm gonna set my stop and shift focus because
It's
what do we got?
another asset treasury strategy focused
Yeah,
on
dude, it's time to short these
tokens.
things, guys. Set your levels, manage your risk, but the theme doesn't seem to be holding
Wow.
up. Is it pumpy? Pump dumpy? Let me check
Yeah.
it out.
Yeah.
POAI.
It's quick.
Did you take that?
No, I haven't. I mean, it's just sold off 2 points. I'm thinking about
Oh Lord, yeah,
MSS.
that's even more than dumpy. Yeah, yeah. MSS is giving clear levels, like clear signs of a short. See if it recovers here. That five is key. Is it going to start to get a little bit of life here?
But I'm
Little bounce. Little sloppy potential sloppy bounce incoming on MSS, but careful. It's king of the day, especially if POAI gives it up. It's good and bad, right? Because it's bad for the theme, but it's good for MSS with the bulls to move there again. So let's see
Yeah,
what
like
we're gonna.
if POAI is gonna just dump all the way back down to 1, then MSS may reclaim. So it's kind of tough.
POAI, yeah,
I think
definitely.
POAI is probably feels more like the trash that's gonna just fade back down.
Give it all up. Man, we there's a big bid at 2.5. I mean, I might chase just a tiny bit if that gets slammed, but it feels chasey now. Like I'd like to see a sloppy to like 3 something.
Same.
But
Yeah, I'm looking for POAI sloppy there.
JFB just sitting there, letting that work. Stop set. MSS, a little bit of relief, but heavy and up a ton. POAI maybe base here.
Uh,
MSSS weak, man.
the MSSS. I mean that thing sounds like a ship. The
It's going
MSS.
down. It's the Titanic. Uh, two weeks of the 476 level. Good stop to get involved if you're like scalping or like watching it close. Let me see. My stop is at 481 right now on the bit that I have. I'll manage it from there.
Down goes the MSS.
Like the Marine shit show.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. POAI may give an entry here.
MSSS, you
I need
sweet
to have a
little
limit order out. POAI.
MSSS on elevator watch, guys. Key level right there, that 4.2. If it gives
I'm
it
gonna
up,
have an
watch out for
order
3.
out.
Here comes
POAI.
3.5. There we go. Wash out.
Oh
Washing.
man.
You got to be quick with these king of days, man. Like when they start to give it up, you got to give them more attention. It's okay to tunnel when they're working. Threes are here.
I try to get it at 3 POAI. MSS.
Covered
She's
a little bit right there at 4 in case it bounces hard here. Had a little bounce there at 4. Going to chop around a little bit. Definitely don't want to see it back over 4.8 or anywhere close to 5 now. MSSS. Pep G kind of curling a little bit. What's that other one doing that we like? BAIF. Is that going to slowly give it up? Because that thing was starting to get heavy into after hours and this morning. So I like BIAF for a hangover.
POAI didn't quite
MSS
give me the entry.
heavy. JFB is still working. Sleepy there. Sleepy fade. Zura. We got Zura is up 70% now. ZURA.
Yeah, I like BIAF. I mean, of course I would like a pop on some of these, but it just doesn't feel like I'm gonna get it.
MSS, dude, just beautiful. Like all those wicks at 6 were just so good, and then 5 flushed, and like it hasn't looked back since. Now that the 3s are here, I don't want to get greedy, but this thing might just wash out under 3.5. Seeing how it's going to react to that level, it's probably headed for it now. MSS.
Yeah, she was real heavy under VWAP.
Mariners good show. Tanking.
Yeah, good work, man. Gave clear levels off the highs too. That was excellent.
I'm going to take some at 4 here. It's getting a little bouncy. I can always chase it back small size again, but I'm locking that profit and not overstaying my welcome like I always preach. Like that's one of my problems. Continue to milk these for too long. Heavy again at 4. So I'm going to smack it leftover size and let it work now off of the 4.5 level. Do stop 4.61 on leftovers and kind of just move on now. See how that
Is
reacts.
POAI going back to 0 or 1? Thing
What's it
closed
at,
at 75.
dude?
It's 260s. I mean, it's heavy.
Max. I mean, the 2.5 level right? The 2.5 level is key. If that gives up, I saw a lot of support there. You might be able to like chase it if it looks like 2.5 is about to give, smack it right there and hope for the flush down. But it could also be bouncing here. I don't know how interested I am. How much is it up now? It's still up 200 something percent. Oh my god, and heavy. There's a seller washing it down right now. The bell's also approaching soon. Man, we got a lot of volatility right now with these stocks.
Yeah, out of the gates, I'm going to be looking at um, BIAF hangover 529's previous close. AQMS, watching that against 750. And PepG, I still have on radar. Of course, the two leading plays this morning so far, MSS and POAI. But POAI just
It's still giving it up, dude. That 2.5 came and went. It's gone. Man.
Wow.
That's why just small size, like, and set your stop, and it's okay to chase. You know, when you get stuff like this, it's up hundreds of percent. Like, don't feel bad chasing. Like, you're gonna have to kind of chase essentially, which is also why we have to take advantage pre-post,
On the
right?
yeah.
On certain accounts, yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, Joseph. Good to see you in here. Yeah, it's been a fruitful morning. If you've been scaling some of these plays, dude, these have been excellent.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a lot of money to be made this morning. But it's
MSS still
Monday,
got
so
that.
yeah.
I mean, we could see this one still.
Don't get
I mean,
aggressive.
sell off, right?
Yeah, just don't get aggressive at the bell, guys, for sure. It's Monday morning, you know.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Set your stops, manage risk. Like I think the starting on the eval, if you're a funded trader, starting on the eval, I think is brilliant. And then kind of transition once you start to see a better setup, or you know, like it was really good this morning. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna hop over and take a couple trades on the funded, like, you know, and definitely just smaller size than you even want to be, especially at Bell. Like, probably don't even trade it. You know, Bell trading is very tough. Like, if you don't have a good edge, like just leave it alone and just kind of watch, or take a very small position, like a hangover, you know, something like that. Kind of scale into a hangover, you know.
Yeah, I want to scale a couple of these. Start real small, like the PepG, the BIAF, and AQMS are the ones I'm looking at.
Dude, MSS is just, since POI just gave it up so much, MSS, like, I don't want to let this thing go without milking it, because this thing is just.
I figured one of them would try to be the king of the day.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, look at this score. Score is
Since
pumping.
they're up
It's
so
just
much
pump
percent,
after
though.
pump. SCOR pumping right now, 850 to 1080. Ooh, this is a dangerous one. It feels. 10 SCOR. Yeah.
65% up. Yeah, into Bell too. Like, any momentum right now is very sketchy because the Bell's about to, you know. So like,
Sketch.
let me just relax now and take a look at the backside of the list and see.
Even JFB, I don't mind hitting that. Like, we'll see what it does at Bell. Emmanuel in the building. Good morning, Emmanuel. How you doing this morning? Hope the weekend went well. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, with the funded, I'm trying to focus more hangovers. So, I mean, that's what I'm gonna BIAF, and then again, like the eval, I'll probably do the MSS POAI. That's kind of the idea. BIAF, I'm watching out of the Bell, AQMS, and PepG. PepG's got so much resistance, and this thing's been curling up. I will hit it again, like 550 and a 6. You know, hit it 550 and 6, something like that is what I'm gonna do. Outside of that,
yeah, MSS my main focus right now, guys. Still up 300.
Still milking it.
Yeah, but I'm setting my stops tight. Like, I'm kind of tunneled on level 2. I'm ready to manage risk. If it starts to
POAI gave everything back, nearly. I mean, it's still it's at $2, 452 down to 2. God.
Yeah. since MSS gave it up that much, I mean, it's going to be real telling at Bell. Like, are they going to like play around with it and trap bulls and stuff? Like, decent chance. Um, but let's see.
Yeah, 4 minutes till the market opens on up. I'm certainly not gonna be.
Yeah.
I don't want to be with the fun to be gambling here a few minutes before the
No,
bell. So
no.
I'm kicking back.
I think that might be a hard rule I set for myself going forward on the funded. No bell trading.
Yeah.
Like, if you can't resist, like we always preach, like very small size or trade on a smaller eval or paper trade or something. But yeah, don't put your hard earned money on on a hand that's like not that good, or like when you're playing against really good poker players, you don't want to be like betting too much, right? Like that's kind of like how bell trading is. Like,
Right. This DWTX, I didn't see it, but it looks kind of heavy fadey.
is
That
it
was,
fading out off that move it made?
yeah.
God, POAI. Why didn't we just hit set it and forget it? See, that's the thing, man. When we see these pump up so much, you gotta chase it a little bit and set it and forget it. Like, there's just so much money on those fades. Like, God. Yeah, I should have hit a little bit.
JFB curling up could provide an entry. Yeah, guys, so far the morning pumps have not been very fruitful for the longs. We got Score, gave it back. MSS with the worldwide token is still up a lot, 96 cents up to 4, but that one's been heavy against 5. 5's the level you want to watch. POAI, a lot of token plays. Cryptocurrency related token plays, POAI, heavy off the highs. Good work, fades on fading those. Living up to your name, fading some of these plays. So, excellent
Oh,
job. But let us know in the
yeah,
chat what you guys are looking at too. I'm gonna be looking at the hangovers out of the gates in just a couple minutes here.
yeah. JFB getting a little bit of life at a very key level there. That 11, like right under 11. It's been super bearish, but it could see some life here at Bell because it's also kind of forming a double base. So um, I'm gonna scale out a little bit of that. My stops are set, but just as we enter Bell.
Zura, another little pump going on, but it's got clear resistance overhead. ZURA.
MSS continuing to not get much love there. Worth watch at Bell for sure, guys.
Yeah, Zura's not terrible here.
Yeah, let me take a look.
ZURA. I mean, so it's not up as much as the others off of the previous close, but we like these sloppy seconds pops. I don't think I'm going to take it a minute before the bell, but not bad, not bad. We'll see how that one opens up. I'm not sure what the news is here outside of an analyst upgrade, just price targets they're setting.
Zero. Yeah, I'm seeing a gap at 242. A big old gap.
Yeah, I'm going to throw it down on the watch list. I want the trades to come to me and not forcing anything. Just want to let the trades come my way.
Yeah, kind of an algorithmic pump there on Zura. Worth watching. Big old gap fill at like 2.5 ish if it wants to.
All right, about 30 seconds. Best of luck, guys. No, yeah, still getting the coffee going. Bob, you working an account? Mr. Bob in the building. Yep, there goes Zura. I just couldn't take it right before the bell. I mean, a minute before. I don't want to deal with that opening chop. But yeah, sloppy seconds working out so far.
Yeah, it's just so hard to,
I just
especially like sizing. You just have to size so small where it almost
all
feels
right.
like.
Yeah, market is now open.
JFB, a little weak, volatile. Wiki, MSS.
BIAF, I'm probably going to take this one here.
JFB back holder audition and lower so far.
I'm going to take BIAF.
BIAF getting dumped. You're on it. You're taking BIF.
Yeah,
I like
yeah,
trades.
against 520.
A lot of volatility at Bell. Remember, guys, like we got the tape to pay attention to, so you're good on that for really pretty much any size. Like there's a lot of volume. A lot of sellers just hit BIF on the tape. See if that's true. What's
I'm
your
gonna
risk
work
level?
it against
BIF?
520s, probably
Yeah,
529.
yeah, I like 531 or like something 526, something like that as a stop. MSS washout.
Oh my God, MSS. Jeez.
And this thing, keep in mind it's up
AQMS too.
270%.
God, it's spready AQMS. I do like it, but it's too spready.
BIAF
BIAF
giving a lot good work there. A lot of room down. The chart's pretty sketchy. Like
a
it's
lot of
got
room
room to
down.
threes or three, even 3.5.
Yep, I'm kicking back there.
MSS honey hole just wash out. Oh man, it is looking to be a nice start.
Zura heavy, ZURA heavy. Damn it. Yeah, I
JFB
really
looking
like
like
yeah,
it
I like
might.
Zura.
Yeah, JFB getting a little bouncy, possibly.
JFB.
Maybe the
Okay.
washout there. It might start to kind of find some strength as others give it up. Thinking about covering there.
BIF is turning into a spready play. I liked it, but just bought up
Yeah,
off of the
just give it,
460.
let it work.
Let it work. Zura, I like. It's heavy. God, I might have to chase that play. CURA. I think the 8% would kick in on that one, though.
Oh yeah,
I think. I don't know.
you went so you're funded or you're on the
Yeah, I'm on the funded
okay. Yeah, just
with
careful.
BIAF.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, that's great trade. Very good work
I
there.
wanted to save
Great
the.
setup. The volume came in on the sell side of Bell, right? Like that was yeah. It's a great setup now. Just kind of let it work. Looking for a cover at like 4.
Yeah, I want to take the hangovers on the funded.
MSS, you sweet little beauty. Gave a little
NUAI giving a pop up towards yesterday's resistance. NUAI. That one
MSS
could.
wash out wasteland.
That
Freaking
one.
little burial there. JFB faked out some, but continues to pay. Lower we go. Way lower we go.
Oh, JFB. God dang it, dude. That was
BI
interesting.
is working well. Ass is getting hit. JFB turned into a really good boy. Oh, it kind of trapped the bulls there. Oh Lord, nice. Mid nines. JFB
DWTX going
incoming
green.
halt down. JFB. JFB on halt watch.
I'm getting on my eval real quick.
Degenerate. Degenerate. You're like, I'm pulling phase this week. I'm trying to bring 1,000 shares. Today's the day. We hit the gas.
Yeah, exactly.
Today has been the day to hit the gas as a short. That's for damn sure. Just don't get greedy. Don't overstay. Protect what you got, guys. See some good profit. Lock them up. JFB, what a beauty, man. Is it gonna wick? Is it bouncing off that bottom range?
BIAF, you think it? I don't want that one to go red to green now. I want that one just to work out, stay heavy.
Yeah, I like BIAF, like bigger picture. I mean, hopefully we don't see that reclaim theme.
Zura is bouncing off of the 340s, a few lower wicks there, but I like it against the 4 level Zura. I may take Zura against 4.
MSS gave a little sloppy for everyone to get involved, but it's real heavy. Good risk level there is even like mid, high, or like high threes for bigger picture faders.
Yeah,
Say zero.
Zura. I
Yeah,
like it. Let me see what you think.
and the gap was nice. It's up 50%, but I mean, if everything else checks out, so it's pretty close to a trend line right now. Is what it looks like. I'd probably draw the trend line and kind of analyze it from there.
DWTX is testing VWAP, sloppy seconds. Team just
JFB, like, is this thing just gonna give it up? Is this thing headed to 6, 7, 8? Like, what is it doing? Is 10 gonna be some kind of base for it? Definitely worth watching there for further.
PAI. Wow, just a dump fest.
MS.
JFB. Yeah, is that what you just said? JFB against like 11.
Mhm.
JFB now.
Very heavy, very heavy. It was very choppy at Bell, wicked out a lot of the bulls, and now they're just like, again, like what? What the heck? I thought this was the $1 billion invest Chinese guru IPO. Like, I thought they were about to change the world. Like they said they had the best
Exactly.
AI.
It's spready on TTP. Do you have a spread too?
JFV at 10. I mean, it did pull a nice base or like a bottom wick at the
At
9.
10. Yeah,
So maybe watch weakness under 10, right? Maybe give it that 10, give the bulls above 10 to go with, and then once it gets under 10 again, just
I like
see.
it against the open 11 to stay heavy there.
Yeah, maybe a sloppy pop there, right? Or if it continues to just stay weak, like under 10, chase it with small size and kind of start to work it from there. That's my thoughts. Might turn into king of day, might play around here a little bit. So little bounce there. MSS. Oh wait, I got the Zero chart pulled up. Yeah, that Zero is looking. Which chart? Zero and MSS are like the same price.
I'm gonna throw an order like 1070s on
Oh
JFB
my
to see if I get hit.
dude, Zero was beautiful. Yeah, we screwed that up. The Wix textbook. Oh man, yeah, that's okay. It's all right.
I didn't know if I could take it on. I mean, maybe I'm on the funded, so the
Mhm.
8% was tricky on that one
Yeah,
because it was bouncing all around.
yeah, I get it.
JFB got rejected on that little
Busy
pump that it
morning.
had.
Haven't been able to keep up with chat. I mean, I'm. This is yeah. It's been a hectic morning so far in a good way.
In a good way, yeah. BIAF, thankfully, that one's been good to me. I'm just kicking
What are you
back there.
guys? Yeah, what are you guys looking at? Trading someone's DWTX sloppies. Okay. I'm kind of tunneled in on MSS right now. Pretty large, milking it. Just very weak and giving it up.
I'm thinking about taking just a piece off on BIAF.
BIF, great work there. Yeah, see how 4 or 5 reacts. My price target was probably like 4ish. Depending on how spready it is, you can just milk it and work your stop down, right? Like give it room, keep that profit rolling, like just kind of milk it. Dang, MSS, you beautiful thing. Yes. Let's go, dude. Straight printing with this thing. Straight printing. I'm covering so I don't make too much. Nice. That was a huge
All
trade
right.
there.
Excellent work, man. Yeah, I just took a piece off on
Dude,
BIAF.
MSS, look at that fade. Wow. Does it just continue to give it up? Like, God, do I chase this again?
Justice stops 480. Want BIAF to stay heavy. And I'm
Yeah,
just
it's like
going to
not being
ignore
able to
those.
take advantage of any of this on a funded is kind of annoying, right? Like, you couldn't get involved with any of these fades, like, because they're just giving it up, right? Like, there's no room to.
JFB looks to be bear flagging, in which case I could get involved there. JFB against like 11.
BIAF, depending on how heavy you are and everything, like you could work that strategy of taking profit and re-smacking it. Actually, you might not be able to because the volatility rule. Take that back.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just leaving a small piece there. I'm going to try to ignore it against 480 if it starts, because my average is 488
Yeah.
BIF, so I don't want the 10-cent thing. I'm gonna
Okay. I'm gonna give MSS stop above 3 now.
ah JFB bear flagging, looking good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Man, I don't. The risk
Yeah.
is about a point off from there, so that's the annoyance with it.
Right. So you could scale your stop like some at like 10.6 and some at like 11.1. It's not a bad play there.
What does this play? IBG, not bad. IBG's not bad.
Okay, so MSS, my stop is above 3 now on leftovers. Nothing, too many orders set up.
DWTX is still trying to climb here. What is it? The float's tiny, 1.62 million. Be mindful of that. Could turn into the king of the day. It's rotated that 27 times, so it's likely in a void here for me. POAI, what a beaut. And MSS. Both of the coins, dude. The coins are not holding
Yeah,
up.
that that
Ah,
theme is getting
shoot.
into.
Look at this hangover I didn't take. Fades. Look at this one. APDN, I didn't even mention it. I had it on the watch list. 420 held up.
JFB, guys, JFB. Hold on. Oh, man.
AQMS has been heavy and fading too. AQMS has a lot of room down. I mean, that's a hangover that's working out really well too.
AQMS, okay.
Yeah. Again, it's just that one's spready on
Wow, MSS, dude, these themes are just like, there's no love for this theme anymore. Oh my God. Two five.
DWTX higher.
This thing was headed to like $2.
JFB just struggling.
MSS
Struggling.
is still up. Like obviously, it feels like the meat has been picked and all this and that, but it's still up 170%. So, what do? I just continue to hit it, work leftovers, adjust my stop, only give it so much back up. But if it ain't broke, they'll fix it. I mean, this thing might just
Are you
wash out.
still working leftovers there?
Yeah, I just hit it
Wow.
again with leftovers. Two
Oh
five is
man,
given.
dude.
Like,
You're crushing it. Good work.
there's no point in focusing on something else if this just continues to make that move. You know, like there's just well, again, on an eval you can. On the funded, you probably are not going to be able to validate this move and get trades in it. Unfortunately, if you take the big piece and just let it ride and adjust your stop and don't get stopped out. Fall, did you message support by the way about that? Are we able to scale in and out after to get around the 8% rule, or is it for every entry every time we add it has to be that acknowledge that?
Hmm. This LAES is popping up. There's a lot of resistance at like 415 or so. It's not up a ton. I'm just noticing the chart. It looks fairly clean.
What's that? LAS?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm taking it. Just the chart looks really kind of the 20-day chart looks fairly clean.
Mm-hmm. Okay. JFB back above 10 again. If they get sleepy and stays heavy, I mean, that could be a great one to just milk. I'm in it with stop set. Some of my stop is at 10.6, some of my stops at 11.1. Monitoring MSS and small leftovers. BIAF continuing to work.
Heck yeah, Manuel. Good work. Hit his target already. Good job.
That's awesome, dude. Congratulations.
I'm eager to trade. Weekend was long.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
starting. I'm
why,
playing
like,
quick.
when you feel that, just
Yeah.
hop on the eval, right? Because, like,
Yeah.
no matter what, the eval, we're still working. Like, it's still relevant. Because, especially, there'll be so much less pressure if you're funded, but you have another eval that's, like, right there or close to it, or halfway.
Will they fund two 25Ks or you gotta only
Um,
one at a
I,
time?
I believe that they don't let you have them both funded. They kind of, like, have it waiting, right?
In the
Until, like,
wings.
the other one. Yeah, I think that's how it works. Unless the
DWTX.
rules have changed, because like every time I get two, like they either like hit me with a rule or they like pause it until I either blow it or whatnot. Like so, yeah. But
DWTX hit 950, is rejected off of that. RDHL, I didn't see this one. Biopharma play, but yeah, it did a red degree move, hitting VWAP.
JFB getting a little bounce here, so I'll probably set my stop.
RDHL's good, dude. We gotta look at this. I pull up the chart. RDHL, a lot of wicks at 320. Past chart history. It's not up like a ton off the previous close, 180 to 270, but that 320 is strong.
Mm-hmm.
Um, forming a lower right
JFB
shoulder too.
get a little bounce there. RDHL, okay. What's your
RDHL granted 8.25 million award plus 1.82 million legal costs as New York court rules against Cuckbo again. Okay. Their dispute with another company, I guess, upheld the New York court. All right, okay. RDHL 2 million in float. I mean, it's kind of decent. 320 is really not bad to play it off of.
hmm.
I'm gonna take a look.
JFB
RDHL.
stopped out there. So that one's getting some JFB turning king of the day. JFB halt up. Oh, fake
Oh,
halt.
really?
Fake halt up.
Dude, that's
But
got so much resistance overhead. I do like it.
JFB
It
did the
is
fake.
halting up now.
Now it's halting up. Yeah, it looks like it's. Is it going somewhere?
Never mind. They're trying. I mean, it might still halt up because shorts see that and then they're like, let me get out of this.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
MSS is trying to get a bounce here. See what it's going to do.
RDHL, I am monitoring for a position. I like it against 320. I would slow scale it up towards that position. Additionally, the 200 day is right at 306, so it's got a good
Which
chunk.
trigger's up?
RDHL, it's got the 200. It's got tons of left. If we look left of the chart, yeah, this is looking pretty good.
Okay.
But it is getting a kind of a pump on it right now. I'm gonna hit it right here, and hit it again up towards 3.
RDHL.
For a move against 320. Yeah, RDHL. Let's smack it here. Smack it again at 3. Against 320. I may size it if it just starts working out. Let me just monitor the price action. POAI halted up.
Yeah, it's showing like a. Did it? Because MSS is kind of curling. If POA halted up, I might cover.
RDHL getting heavy. Hit the VWAP, showing a little heaviness. Let's see what the open's going to do there. 250 is the open on RDHL. I can't really smack it again, can I? Is that what your question was? The perfect fall? Like, if it starts dumping, I can't. That'll mess up the 8% rule. Yeah.
We think. We
I
think
think,
so.
yeah, I probably can't smack it again. I would like to.
Mm-hmm.
VWAP held up fairly well.
MSSS, I'm covering for now. Things are starting to get a little bit of bounce. Keep an eye on it. So now I'm just in BIAF hangover right now. That's all I'm in.
I'm in that, and RDHL is what I'm working right now.
Gave a little bit of the
Oh,
gains
wow.
back.
Let's go.
Just
RDHL, let's go, guys. Anybody else hit that with me at VWAP? This thing's dumping.
nice. Yeah, that was a big wick there. Nice.
Oh, big pop up though.
Yeah, careful. Looks like 282 after that big wick. It's like you don't want to see it reclaim that. All right. Anything else? All right, guys. Let me get caught up in chat. King of the day, maybe. DWTX. MSS basing out. Yeah. Uh, dang. It looks like they're still selling it now. I'm gonna have to zoom in on a smaller time frame here on MSS. If that was just the new top, I'm gonna be watching it close. This thing's still up 160%. I mean, there's still room to $2 here. MSS 27 is a new risk level if you're trying to scalp it or get involved.
Huh. RDHL. Wow, that got a very large pop off of that 250.
Yeah, it's kind of if you zoom out, it's kind of bullish on like a W kind of vibe, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like
Yeah, the
that
240s.
there off that 240, and it's not up a ton. So I just wasn't too interested,
Hmm.
but it definitely could be something there. That's just my analysis
It's
on it.
just bouncing all around here. Now it's back down.
It looked like
Um,
the bag holder audition at 335 for sure, and it's got that VWAP level, so I see what the trade. But MSS, see if that 2.7 holds up or if it rips through. It might sweep it over and then wash it as well. Let's see.
yeah,
Above
RDHL. I'm gonna take it off for now. I'm gonna
it,
revisit it in a.
MSS bouncing. Okay.
Okay.
Paper cut there on leftovers. All right, so we're getting a little bit of bounce action now. It's like the bulls are washed out and now they're recovering a little bit.
VWAP still holding up though. RDHL if you're working it. Man, Zura, you son of a biscuit. DWTX too was beautiful off of 950.
I guess you took like a tiny trade and then you made a lot of money, Emmanuel, on your new account.
JFB hitting the VWAP. Dude, there's so much resistance, JFB overhead.
Yeah, there really is. You're right. That's tempting, man. That is very tempting. Good point there. But it had a pretty big reclaim, man. That haul, like it's what is this? Like a Chinese construction company? They're new. Like it's Wiki West.
Chinese construction is going to take over the world.
MSS, was that the liquidation there at 2.8? Is it done now?
What did I take?
MSS in a pennant now. If it breaks down, I'll chase it again with small size. It's looking weak.
Yeah, RDHL 250s. RDHL looking heavy. Might crack under the 240. You're looking at MSS.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, dude, that thing has been just paying you all morning. I would stay there. That thing's just JFB rejecting off of VWAP right now, $12. The open
MSS
there is maybe it tries to bounce
breaking.
off.
Which one's that? Sorry.
Just JFB rejected off of VWAP. It may try to
Mm-hmm.
hold the open. It did a red to green move on the open, so we'll
12 is a
see.
good level to risk off of now. MSS put in a nice top wake of that 285. So I'll take some
I
off that.
might try Peppa Pig against like 520 Pep G.
JFB, I might. Is that one going to be bearish again now?
I might try Peppa against the previous close 507. Um,
Okay.
yeah, I mean, I still like it. I'm not going to give it a ton of. Not going to give it a ton of.
MSS weak.
I'm going to hit it 494 and give it to like 520.
Pep. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
Pep.
looked at the chart just a minute ago. I'm just like, I don't know. It's got that slow fade, but it's also holding up, right? Like ride or ride out, and it's not riding.
Yeah, it's holding the 480. That's what happened to me on Friday. It just held that 480 so well.
So annoying, right? Yeah. So it's
But
something.
with the offering news, I'm
Yeah.
anticipating. I mean, I don't know. I still want to give it a
Kind of
chance here.
bearish
I really
day
didn't
so
take
far.
gave it
Yeah.
a small loss on Friday. I'll give it another chance here today. Really against like
MSS.
510.
Yeah. The other trades looks like Red Hill is still kind of heavy. MSS, see how it reacts here at 2.5. JFB, I took a small position short there if it stays heavy.
POAI sloppy seconds there. You got James. Yeah, it did. Wow. Score has been slowly curling up. I imagine the Warriors are about to pump this thing on up. SCOR. She's been like slowly curling on light
Yeah,
volume.
the Warriors are scouting. I mean, they got to get something in somewhere.
they're they're looking for anything. Come on, anything. Okay, Peppa Pig is pulling down a little bit. 480 just needs to snap under with no lower wick. That's what I need there. BIAF, thank God a hangover worked for me because I only took one.
Yeah, that one is working well. I did take that hangover. You guys seeing anything right now? Fofo. Nice, James. Good work.
Yeah, here's
Yeah,
the
I'm
Peppa. Just working that.
MSS is just still like weak, so I'm just kind of micro scalping that. Um, JFB is kind of bouncing again. JFB kind of trying to turn into that king of the day grinder feel. Needs to get back over 12 for the Bulls to really have strength. Anything under that could be a sloppy potential. Tight risk reward here on a JFB short if it stays heavy, but it's getting a little churny. BIF continuing to work.
Wait, the YCBD halted up.
Okay.
Okay, that's like right in our
Wheelhouse.
right in our that's like this is our you will not regain compliance with the NASDAQ. No. YCBD. Man, some of these are not popping up on the memo screener for me. I don't know why. Normally they all are.
On the Weeble as well, but I did notice on the Weeble on the phone, for some reason, the scanner catches like a lot more. So it's something worth noting.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust something if so does Weeble have a like Momo screener that works I guess live data second by second?
Like a top gainer, I just use their top gainer
Okay.
list, but I don't know, for some reason, like some fall through the cracks, but on mobile it seems to be more like catching everything consistent. So it's kind of interesting. So MSS is starting to kind of churn here. Put in a very top wick at 292. That might be. Let's see what it's going to do here. It's getting wicky, getting choppy there.
Wow, the Wiki West. RDHL looking heavy still. Man, I top ticked that and should have sized that or something.
And vanished in the dust.
JFB, were you looking at that one against 1220?
Yeah, against 12s. Yeah.
Okay.
Really heavy against 12s. Down to my last dollar. For my courage to test. I mean, big picture, MSS is probably going to be heavy off of 3.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still up 180%. So, $2 could come there. That's a good chunk of meat to pick still. JFB as well. JFB still has room if it stays heavy off that 12 move, maybe like a little small bull trap range and then wash.
YCBD opening.
It's open. Okay. How much is it? YCBD?
62 to $1.05. I'm seeing like $1.50 as a gap to fill on it.
Interesting.
Wow, this is exactly where I would want to be hitting this thing. I might have to go over to the eval for this. YCBD. I'm going over to eval land. YCBD. Let's smack it against 150 is the gap fill. Let me let it play up here a little bit. 120s. Let's see if it gets another leg up to like 150.
JFB is still churning, so that one's
Okay.
turning like King of Day vibes.
YCBD, another leg up. I'm going to start getting involved there, like maybe 130s.
Is it halting?
No, not yet. It's getting top heavy here. I'm going to smack it.
Okay.
119 right now. I'm going to hit it again at 135 against 150. Oh, yeah, JFB higher. God, that's such an interesting level, JFB.
Yeah, but it pumped though, so it's kind of I don't know. I'm not interested right now. YCBD though, what's the news on this thing? It's a CBD play, like a pot stock. You know, there's some degenerates that are trying to take profit on that name. What's your entry and risk pool?
I'm at 119. 150 is the risk. I'm going to hit it again, though, on a pop because I only have a couple hundred there right now. So I'm going to look to
Yeah,
size that one a little bit.
looking for some sloppy.
JFB's got my interest, though. I mean, I really like that one against like 1350. I think I'm going to hit it against 1350. Yeah, I'm going to hit it against 1350. Set the stop right now.
RDHL worked out great. Did you hold up?
No.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, wasn't too thrilled about that.
Are YBCD getting sloppies, or is it still gonna pump?
JFB, let's see what she gonna do. I took a 1260 average. Still kind of pumping here, though. Could easily get wicked out of this thing.
Yeah, for real. Dude.
I don't want to give it a ton of room here. Pretty much 1320s I'll stop out of it. Which it could wick me out. We'll see.
Yeah, I don't like JFB right now. That YCBD, it's kind of flagging. Which way is the flag gonna go? It's a question. It's like it's pumping.
JFB, little snap right there. Stay heavy. Come on, stay heavy. Went to 1230s. Ain't nobody needing this JFB construction.
Right? Freaking scam.
Uzo
Absolute
trades
scam.
in the building. What's going on, Uzo? At Bolt. Yeah, I'm not giving it much room here. Like
MSS.
MSS.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. YCBD doesn't look quite done yet. It's up 100% though. There's a lot of meat to pick there. MSS just giving it up. Did you add to YCBD? You done with it? What are you thinking there?
Oh, that's on the eval. I'm not even looking at it. I got a 150 stop. Yeah, I got 3
Oh,
trades
okay.
on the funded going on right now.
I got you.
But
Yeah, I like that. Bigger picture, kind of.
yeah. That one's gonna. She should 150 should hold up there. Oh heck yeah! JFB got a fill in the low 12s. Good.
Nice. MSS is giving it up, guys. Still pretty heavy there.
All right, JFB I'll revisit. I liked that pop up towards the 13, but right now just working PEPG, BIAF still leftovers BIAF. PEPG could be very good if she breaks under that 80 cent level, 480. It's been holding there really well. So, I mean, if it holds here again right now, I'll probably just get out of it, revisit another day. But this is what's been holding up for PEPG. You can tell even Friday, just 480 so strong. It did that 320 offering. I was looking for it to fade down and start heading lower, but we need that 480 to sell off.
Curves to the
So that's pretty much what I'm looking for there. I'm going to keep it
Mhm.
tight otherwise if it bounces pretty much back up towards 5. I just, that's all I'm working right now. BIF PEPG.
JFB kind of top there at 13, but it's kind of on a trend right now. I don't think I'm just gonna let it be. I made good money on it. It's getting choppy now. Yeah, YCBD. I'm in small there, letting it see if that's a top. MSS working still. BIAF working it as well. 3 positions right now.
Nice.
What was the news on YBCD? Let me see. President Trump. Oh, Trump said something about pot, so it's up 100%.
Trump smokes pot for the first time. all the
Literally
yeah.
a Trump headline. Trump commented something about CBG, a form of THC or whatever. And
Yeah, dude, if we get
thing
PEPG
was,
curling down to 480, dude, that thing's gonna snap if she goes under. That's gonna be good. She gonna if she tests that level out and snaps under, it's gonna be payday. Yeah, we need Trump to get on the Rogan podcast and start smoking weed. It'll send these pot tickers skyrocketing. Yeah, if Pep bounces here, I'll get out of it and revisit. I don't want to. I don't want to deal with that again today if it's going to bounce. YCBD hit 132. Was a decent like ad area.
yeah,
Dude, RDHL, that one's kind of painful for me. That thing snapped, elevator down, sitting at 220 right now.
mm,
DWTX hit 950 beautifully, fading. Flipping through, seeing what we see. JFB is still pretty good here. JFB in play. I mean, that's probably the play right now.
yeah, it's just grinding. Like
Outside
nothing
of
else is
YTBD.
working out for the longs, right? That's like the long play right now. If you look at the scanner, I mean, everything else gave it up. It's bearish. So that's a no touch for me right now.
Okay.
I'm hoping YCBD. It's kind of grindy. It might have some more room to run. Something's kind of pumping it. Algorithmic pump there. Like you said, that 1.5 level, probably going to see how it reacts. Um, good level to maybe get in a little bit.
BIAF still working out great.
Hmm.
I mean, we could see that at 4 or under today. So happy working that.
Yeah.
But outside of that, yeah, I'm just kicking back here. YCBD, let's see, 137 just put in. Again, 150 is that main level I'm watching. I'm not really worried too much there. You know, I got a 119 average, but I have room to scale this thing.
Yeah. I just put in a top wick at 137. See if that's going to continue to get it above that. What does the look left look like? You said that 1.5 is a key level.
Yeah, 1.5 is a gap fill on it. I'll show that on the daily chart here real quick. Yeah, 1.5 right here is a key level, which is the liquidity area. It could certainly pull there. 150.
Okay. Okay, I see it. I see it. Interesting. Yeah, it looks like it might be headed for it.
All right, I'm gonna
Tempted.
smack it again right here. 134. So I have a 126 average, 400 right now. I'm gonna give it over under 150. So I'm not gonna
Okay.
stop right on the 50. I'm gonna see how it reacts there.
MSS washed wasteland. Wash out wasteland MSS.
Unreal, dude. I mean that was such a play, such a good play. And I mean you nailed it, man. Yeah, you called that you called it perfectly as far as
Like stay involved until like there gives you a reason, right? Like manage stops, keep So take my profit once again and hit it with smaller size again. Stop now is gonna be 2.5.
as far as like still staying, you know, staying, you know, it feels
What's that?
just still staying with it, even if it feels chasey. You called that really well.
Right. Realizing that it's up 100 and something percent still and feels meaty.
Yeah,
YBCD getting heavy. YBCD real heavy.
yeah. It's,
I mean that's kind of like one of those pop theme plays that it could end up very nasty on the day. I'm seeing a gap. It filled a gap at 1.06 to fill as well.
yeah. So I was kicking back there on the eval. Like I need to get comfortable like this on the funded too, because I
Yeah.
just want to I want to pad the wallet a little bit on the funded, you know, like before I start
Mhm.
doing stuff like this, because
Yeah. Mhm.
the problem is with the funded, like I need some. I need a little bit of wiggle room on these because you have to be comfortable in the red. Like when you're shorting intraday movers, like you have to be just comfortable sitting in the red, and I want to feel like I have a little bit of cushion to do that
Right.
because I just got funded and I'm trying to just get some green days going with it. Really,
Mhm. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. I know what you're saying. So
I mean,
just wait. A plus setups and being a little more patient.
yeah, like taking the hangovers and trying to milk them and just build that cushion, and then start throwing some
Maybe
shares at the.
Yeah, maybe not A plus setup because that might not even come in a day, right? But at least like a A or like a B plus, like not like bell trading or king of
Yeah,
the day action. Like
right. Yeah, you nailed it.
VIAF is working out well. You did take that trade on your funded, right?
Yep. I got some shares sitting there still, just milking
Good
that.
work. YCB could be one. It's definitely worth watching a little bit more here. Um, you know, we are seeing that 1.5 level is key, but this could also be on elevator watch right now as we speak. MSS,
Which ticker? YCBD.
yeah,
Yeah. Oh yeah. This chart looks crazy heavy.
yeah. JFB Uzo, I don't like it. I'm good on that because again, we got to think like with the full spectrum, right? Like where are the bulls at? Like
Yeah.
they're
Here's
getting
the chart.
eaten up everywhere else. Like JFB is the only thing that's giving them some love. So they're partying over there. So let's focus elsewhere, right? Like YCB has a lot of meat if it wants to wash out here. Like this thing could give it
Pep,
up to 90%. So
Pep G testing 480, guys. I mean,
MSS continues to pay. What a honey hole! I mean, the $2 is coming like I've been calling for. Um, Probably. Let's
You
see.
got to
Yeah,
stay heavy here. Pep G, you got to stay heavy here. If today's going to be the day of fades, we're right on that level. I'm in it
looking
for
good.
this. Need it
Nice.
to crack under 4. It's that 480 on the ask, so just stay heavy under it.
BIAF. What's your profit target there?
0. No,
Yeah, I think
yeah.
it came from like $3 recently, right?
Yeah, let me look at the chart again. I've been just kicking back with it. BIF, I mean, dude, there's
YCB
420 on the bid right now.
YCB feels really heavy
I
too.
mean, this thing flushing under 4, I'd probably take it all. I don't know. I
Yeah,
mean,
I'm thinking like four-ish BIF, maybe the washout under four, like set a order for like 390 something.
what
I
a
could see
beauty
it like
there, though.
wash out under that and then maybe churn. MSS, I'm debating where I want to just cut ties with this thing at. I mean, um,
I took BIF.
you took it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was good on it. I was good in the profits, so.
Yeah, nice work. Good trade.
I'm having a pretty good day right now on the funded. If Pep G stays heavy here, it's going to be a really good day.
YCB getting some more pump. That thing might turn into the new king. Or it
I
might
mean,
definitely be.
I can take Pep G off, but this one I'm like, I'm really convicted with it. But I just that like this one. The problem with me on Pep G is like I see this thing at 450 and lower, so
Mm-hmm.
just via experience and the offering that came out at 320. So I want to give it some room on the profit side if today's going to be the day, because this thing could pay out really well on the funded.
Mm-hmm.
The stop's tight for me over 5, but
Yeah.
outside of that, I'm just looking for the next setup.
YCBD might be giving us an entry soon over the what
Wow.
1 range. Actually, it looks like it might be halting up right now.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the what I just saw with it.
Yeah,
As far
exactly.
as like it looking weak under VWAP and then just squeezing straight back up and out.
Mm-hmm.
They do squeeze these out sometimes pretty bad, because
Uh-huh.
the reason for it is people get very heavy. Like there are people that go swinging, on a dollar plays, they're swinging thousands and thousands and thousands of shares, and
Oh yeah.
they can squeeze these things and crush people. So
Talk about crushing people. MSS looks like it's just about to wash out under $2 now. Absolutely brutal. It's like when the treasury theme doesn't work.
that's one where like in pre-market, wish you'd have just hit it with like a 100 200 and just like close your eyes, go in a coma, go
Yeah.
back to bed, set your stop like you said. You've been doing that. You're waking up and you're
Mm-hmm.
getting involved, and then you're just setting the stop and going back to sleep. It's beautiful.
Yeah, man. It's worked out well. Definitely works.
Pep G, don't do this. If it stays 480 ounces there, I'm taking it off.
BQ halted up. BQ.
MG in the building. What's going on, MG? How are you doing? How's the trading been going? Yeah,
BQ.
BQs. It's Monday, and you can really tell it's Monday, right? Like there's so many random plays that are just flying off the shelves this morning.
Boki.
It's quite
Boki holders.
it's quite
Boki.
humorous.
BQ. Good call there. This looks like pretty junky. Boki. What is this? Boki.
Looking pretty.
JFB washout.
Yeah.
JFB death candle. Where's that going? Is it halting down?
Halting down, halting down,
Oh,
halting
it's
down, halting.
halting. Oh, I'm in it. I'm in it.
A minute.
Degeneracy at its finest. Wait, you're not in on the funded though, right?
No.
You're on an eval,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. We're degenerates, man.
I just hear your buttons beeping off like crazy, like beep 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 beep.
That's your
I'm like,
signal. That's your cell signal.
yeah, yeah, exactly.
BQ, interesting here at 5. What's the deal there? That's like a China pump or up 70% algorithmically pumping. MSS finally threw in the towel there and covered, kind of basing out at 2.
Oh, for the love of God, OMG.
YCBD on watch off that 1.5 level. I do like this little CBD sympathy kind of play. No telling where it could go. It could halt up and head to 2. So very cautious with the risk there. Wait to size it on confirmation. Um, how are you guys doing so far today? So MS, yeah, YCBD on watch and um, JFB obviously in the halt down there. And then BIAF, I'm just sitting on that thing. It's continuing to pay. I don't know where I want to cover. I'm going to go ahead and set my stop to
Oh, it
protect.
did flush down to near 4. Dang, dude.
Oh, yeah. I did.
Man.
Okay. Yeah, that might be the cover signal then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I won't get greedy, man. I mean, 20% on a hangover, that's a damn good job. Good trade there. Good
Yep.
work.
Yep. Good work. Good work holding that one.
Hangover City. It's like we kind of analyzed, we saw what we liked the best on a hangover, and we took it. That was great execution there. Any
All
other
right.
hangovers worth mentioning as well?
Yeah, there were a few other ones. Let me see. It was like AQMS. I want to see what that one ended up doing. Not much. Yeah, I guess we got the better of the hangovers today. I mean, LAC, that one looked good, but it's kind of that battery play. Lithium's been hot.
Yeah. We got 2 halts, the volatility with JFB and YCBD. So I'm just going to be monitoring those 2 and seeing how I feel. MSS had its move. I'll probably kind of stop watching that one at this point, focus elsewhere. YCBD resumed lower. Is it a bull trap? Or let's see what's going to happen there.
Oh,
JFBD.
yeah. Okay. That's interesting. YCBD.
YCBD bag holder audition. So you can scale in after a hole if you're already in it, or you can't. I don't even know, dude. These rules, man.
Yeah, I took Pep off as it's curling back around.
YCBD nightmare zone.
Okay. I think I do want to size this one now.
I'm involved off the highs. Giving it a good bit of risk here. It's a little chasey at this level, so I mean, but it kind of feels like it might halt down. Like they did that classic bull trap halt up. I mean, they could sweep this thing to a halt up again right now. It's just how this ticker is. So, you got to be small size unless you're just trying to blow your account.
Well, I got back my red from Friday so far.
We got to keep an eye on JFB.
BQ is still in play.
JFB, what's the halt resume time? 5 minutes is about to hit right now. Is it going to start trading JFB?
Oh! Yep. She just opened.
She is very volatile.
If as long as we get the minute, I want to hit this one again on a pop. JFB.
JFB.
That halt down was nasty. I want to hit it again on a pop after the minute if
And
we
it's
stay
not
up.
bouncing up so far. It's still like, yeah. And we've been seeing that theme, right? So maybe even expect that pump to like 12 and then hit it harder, right? Something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna give this one a rim. That halt down was nasty. I think it stays heavy. I want to smack it again. Waiting for the next 1 minute candlestick to come through. Looks like it just did. Let me try to. I want to get a bounce because my average is like 11.11. YCBD is
YCB complete
crazy.
fake out.
That thing's
That thing
nuts.
just annihilated shorts, dude. Yeah, that thing is just annihilated
Is it
shorts.
halting up? I'm
It
gonna
looks
take.
like they're gonna halt it.
If it's
Fake
halting
halt.
up, I'm gonna take it off. If I'm gonna smack it, and if it's
It
gonna
still
halt
is
up, I'm gonna
trying to
take it
get to
off.
that 1.5 that we've been talking about. Like, it still
Yeah,
hasn't gotten there.
I'm about at my 100 risk on it. Uh,
Right.
let me see what it does at 150.
I like JFB like above
Yeah, it's
2 or
halting it.
12.
Faked halt again. Maybe a real halt this time.
Yeah, that was pretty nasty.
150. 150 coming up. Well, YCBD might provide a entry on the funded. We'll see what she does.
Yeah,
You
I mean,
know,
you can scale
Faith,
it a little funded right
that's
now,
like
but it's tricky.
that's like something that's actually worked for me, Fades, as far as I take a decent loss on one eval and then I go straight to the other eval and it's like, oh, this is a perfect entry now, and then it works out.
Exactly,
Like
exactly.
I'm always early, so that normally works out.
It's true. I hear you, man.
James, good job being green. Emmanuel's green, stepped away. You're green, stepping away.
Good job, guys.
We're halting, close to halting up. YCBD, let's see what she's going to do up here. I'm going to smack again on
I
the
like the
eval.
Yeah, I like the 1.5, man.
I think I might hit it on the funded.
See how it reacts here at this gap fill.
Additionally, JFB actually providing an entry on the funded because she's sitting there after the halt for 4 minutes doing nothing. That actually might turn into a play. You know what I'm saying? JFB sat
Yeah.
there for 4 minutes. Or, yeah, we've gotten the 4 minutes there.
Yeah, I'm in JFB off of 12. Okay, there we go. I think it's going to halt up now. Oh, no, a fake halt. Did they fake gap fill?
JFB, I'm interested in on the funded, and then what is it? YCBD? Is that it? Yeah,
Mhm.
I'm
Yeah, I
getting
like
interested there.
JFB. Yeah, yeah. JFB, and then, yeah.
JFB just slowed down to nothing.
YCB did halt up. Okay.
Yeah, JFB is literally stalling out. Man, this thing looks weak.
All in, max leverage, get funded, and get your payout, whatever you need to do.
I need a payout. That's what I need.
Yeah, I like it's like reward yourself with a 25K payout by like getting a 50K eval, right? Like grinding high.
Right.
So it's
Yeah,
kind
that's the
of
next step. I'm going to join you on that 50K max. You're on the 50 flex or max?
flex, yeah.
Yeah,
Having
that
that,
may work really well for your style because
yeah,
yeah.
I'm a bit more aggressive, so it gives me more wiggle room. I don't feel so emotional if I'm like down a couple hundred because I know I can make that back quick.
Shoot. Ah.
Oh boy,
I'll be right back. JFB, I didn't get a fill.
JFB Smack City. Let's go, baby girl. Good girl, JFB. Good girl. This thing's probably gonna halt down again. I mean, under 10 the longs are yeah.
JFB, I was like so close on that one.
Yeah.
I
It's
mean, I'm
only
in
up
it on
50.
the eval, but I was
Yeah.
about to on the funded. YCBD, I am interested on the funded at this point. I'll save all my early entries for the eval. Yeah, the funded I like. I mean, we're hitting this resistance territory. We're up from 60 cents to $1.50. I haven't even looked at the news.
Yeah, I like
There might
YCB.
not even be any news.
I don't
What
think
is the
it
news?
was. I think it was just tagged off the
No
chump.
news.
So let me look on my other thing. No news.
I don't see any.
Yeah,
What it? Yeah,
JFB for bigger picture fade is looking really good.
it is. It's looking
It's
great.
like one of those you could start to scale it and kind of work it for a bigger picture. Yeah, JCBD, no news on circuit breaker the upside. Maintains buy rating, price target $2, year over year increase. So I mean they've been getting a little bit of news, and then like the stock or the cannabis pump on top of that. But I mean, looking very juicy at 1.5.
All right,
Don't
where's
get,
YCBD going to open up at?
we have maybe a minute until open. It's been 4 minutes since the halt. Take me there, baby. To the VWAP.
We'll look at some YCB levels again. I mean, we have 194s, the 200 day. This thing gets pretty wicky. I mean, you can see past our history. It's fairly wiki. The Wild Wiki West. Yeah, with the funded, I probably go in like half size and risk like that 200-day moving average up in the 190s.
Which one is
Scale
that?
it. YCBD, like on the funded at this point. Yeah, I mean, I probably
Yes.
go
It
in
has room to like $2 if it really wants to.
if it
Yeah.
really wants to. So I was thinking just going, real small on it, like 7,500, and
Mhm.
then hitting it again like that. All right, we
Okay,
just
open
opened
it
up.
up.
Let's get a. I mean, let's get some. We need a minute of it not dumping. If we're going to trade it on the funded. I don't know if
Mhm.
you're in it on the funded already.
No,
Okay.
no, I'm not trading in my funded. It's too puppy for that right now. Just took a little stab on my eval.
All right, let's get another minute, and I'll stab at it. Oh, is it going to halt up again?
Baby, baby.
Waiting for that minute to close.
Yeah, near scale it.
Yeah, up towards like the 200-day moving average. It's about to. 3, 2, 1.
To BWAP.
All right, I'm gonna hit it on the funded 157. Smacking it
Oh,
up.
nice! It just dumped right after you hit it. I mean, a little bit.
Just a
Probably
little bit.
shoot right back through it.
I'm gonna kick back with this one too. Give it room to a
Real
two.
well. How much you hit that thing with? It dumped 10
Not a
cents as soon
lot.
as you smacked it.
Not a lot. Like I'm going 100 up it. I mean, I'm going again. I was red 50 on Friday, so I got the 50 back. I'm just trying to get another
I mean, this could be
30,
the
40
top.
something.
You could have just topped it. That's on the funded. You smacked it.
Yeah. I'm gonna let it work too.
Yeah,
I'm gonna let her work.
yeah. I mean, the Bulls could be looking for that 150 hold, and if it starts to get real weak from here, it might not even have any more.
But again, I'm not. Went over that with Michael Katz this morning. Like I'm not. If I'm looking for $100 day, that means I'm smacking these things like you know, not heavy. I'm not looking for the 100
Mhm.
on this one trade.
Right.
So I want to pad the
Yeah.
wallet on this funded before I start sizing up a little bit.
Yeah. Exactly.
So that's the idea. 194 could be on the way. That's the 200 day. We'll see. Give it a little bit of room up there. It keeps pulling back and buying up. Could just squeeze shorts out all
Hmm.
the way there. We'll see. I think it's a decent
Yeah,
stop to
probably
take
will.
though.
And then JFB is just turning into a really good sleeper.
All right, 164, 165, 166.
Yeah, I'm really tempted to hit that thing, but I stopped out for now. Paper cut on it. I really wanted to see it kind of stay.
Halting up. Maybe. 170s.
Hey, baby, baby, baby.
Let's smack it again right there. A few shares. Buy high, hope higher. Come on.
Work it. It works if you work it.
194 the 200 day again. That's what I'm
I
kind
like
of
the.
eyeballing there.
Yeah, I like it. I'm scaling it a little on the 50K, like for bigger picture, because I mean it's just a CBD stock. We have the levels, the 1.5, the 1.9, like strength over two. Like, do we see that? Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We'll find out after these messages.
It's just
50.
our bread and butter setup. Like we're scouting the levels. It's nothing significant. Like you know, but the Warriors are hungry. The Warriors are hungry.
They gotta eat.
Get it? Halt up? No.
My last
Feels
hit on it's gonna be at one in the 190s. I'll hit it
yeah. It
again.
feels like it wants that 200 tap. Anything else popping up that we're not seeing? Let me take a look on the other scanner. BQ is like algorithmically grinding, but it's up 100%. MSS, man, that thing's just heavy. I'm just, God, is that thing just going to nothing? Like,
Oh,
what?
it's halting up.
Looks like it's halting.
YCBD. Nope. Fake halt.
MSS is still super heavy. Wow. Feels like YCBD is just gonna end in like a couple halts down, and like going to nothing.
Yeah.
Maybe that's just
Yeah.
wishful thinking from my end.
No, you're probably onto something. I mean, again, I'm small enough where I'm really kicking back there. I mean, I'm just 100 and some shares, and it could end up at like 130 and pay decent on the day.
Yeah, there's a gap at 106. I mean, I'm not covering till then. This is big picture play. This is 50K fun today. Picture play. Nah, there's a gap at 106 though. I mean, I feel like if it gets weak again, it is going to go all the way back there. We'll see.
We'll see if it buys up on this pullback. It's a decent pullback off the highs, 179, but it's been buying up on every one of these, so we'll see what she does here.
JFB is just sitting really heavy.
Hey, by the way, on YCBD, you probably do need. Well, it depends on if you're playing the big picture or not, but this thing could wick down and buy up. You know what I'm saying? Like have limit orders out. For some of you that may be in too heavy, like it's probably not a bad idea to have some orders out if this thing's going to halt down or shoot straight down, rather.
This thing's got a lot of room to give, guys. I mean, a dollar could be coming back here. Just don't oversize it. Manage your risk. Still has room to $2 test, so keep that in mind.
Yeah, it hasn't quite gotten up to that 194 yet, so we could still see that.
It's like if you want to size it, you can now off the 181 and look to re-smack it. But yeah, see, it's getting wicky right there again. Boom. Look at that.
Halting up. Nope.
It might even blow past 2 at this point. It's got a lot of strength. Keep in mind, we're kind of anticipating like a 1.9 test here.
Yeah, that pullback and reclaim. I mean, not a huge fan, but yeah, I'm still gonna try.
Wolf. What the heck?
WOLF.
What happened? So I'm seeing up 1,500%.
Wow, YCBD. Unreal. It's about to tap that 200-day. I'm about to pull out some shares on
Hammer?
it. Pull out the whack-a-mole hammer. 194 is incoming.
You pulling out the iron hammer?
I'm about to pull out something. I might have to turn off my camera.
It might get ugly. It might get bumpy ahead, fellas. 25K funded Twitter goes on till no.
Nah, I ain't gonna go until.
Yeah, you're good. I'm seeing a big wick YCBD.
Once the party's over here, though, I mean it should be over. Though some of those upper wicks in the past chart history it just sells off all day.
Maybe just a huge sweep above 2 and rents down incoming.
Halting up now, trying again. Yep, halted.
Man, brutal. What is BQ? BQ is pumping higher. BQ now up 140%. Definitely
BQ halted up. Oh, dude, this thing put in a huge upper wick recently too. Here's the past chart history on that BQ. Big upper wick recently. Asian equities.
Yeah, so we got a few to look at here. BQ and YCBD, King of the Day, cheap kings of the day. What goes up must come down.
Perfect fall. You're dang, basically can't trade right now. Transfer funds. Why can't you get the $5 worth of ETH going? Yeah, BQ's been trending off of VWAP, heading
You're trying
higher
to
right
trade
there.
crypto? You're trying to trade some crypto? Have you ever used the Fimex exchange, Fall? They give you like crazy leverage, 50x leverage. Um,
Oh, Zura given an entry, perhaps.
don't get on there if you don't know what you're doing, anyone. Fimex, because you will burn through some money. But
Zura trying to do a red to green steep. 360 would be the reclaim on Zura.
MSS, fine and strength. Okay, so YCBD and BQ main watches here. JFB, still like it, bigger picture fade. Anything else? What you got working right now?
I'm just in YCBD.
Yeah,
I mean, JFB could fade. We could look for an entry there. It's looking fairly heavy
yeah,
against
I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm sitting in it.
still
Yeah,
against like 1150 maybe
yeah,
in
I'm
the
in it
window.
pretty heavy because it slowed down a lot, and it faked the bulls out like a little bit of rally, and
I'm
also now it
thinking
was the king of the day at some point. Remember, like everything else was giving it up, but now we have all these new shiny gems that are halting up. So the herd probably will not want to stick around with JFB. So JFB could end up being a very fruitful fade from here.
I'm gonna put an order out on it. I like it against like 1150.
Hmm.
I got a 1089 average. I'm gonna set a stop on it right at like 11.
You could try to send money from a different wallet because you're waiting until, yeah. So you could try to send money. You could buy like a wallet that funds you instantly and like for a bigger fee, and then send it like from that exchange to your wallet. So then that money will be available immediately. If that makes sense. Like basically just buy like from another platform and send that money so you can use it. Would that fix the problem? Okay, BQ is. Do we have any levels off BQ? What are you thinking there? Are you interested, or what's
It
even
looks
the?
like it may halt down.
Yeah, just put in a wick there off the 7.5, but it's grinding. There's a big seller at 7. It's getting heavy, man. I'm gonna take a very small starter. Oh wait, is it holding down? Never mind. A very small starter off 7.2 for BQ.
Okay.
Feeler there off 7.21. Just 100 shares. Kind of feel it out from there. YCBD resumption could be in like 30 seconds.
Okay. Again, like holding over 2, I'm probably out of it. If
Yeah,
YCBD holds over 2, I'm gonna be out of it.
yeah, I agree.
I mean, this is exactly the level I wanted it at, so it's a little annoying.
Yeah, yeah, fall. If you buy on, I think Trust Wallet is one of them that does like immediate transfers and stuff. Like you just have to eat a little bit of a fee. But if you need that money immediately, you could just buy it on like a
Whoa, whoa! Halt down! Halt down! Halt down! Halt down! Halt
where,
down! Halt
where?
down! Sorry, YCBD. It opened up.
Can we add though? I don't want to get flagged here. I don't care, dude. I'm in. Symbol is not tradable.
Well, I'm on the funded, so I certainly can't do that. But
BQ Wiki West, not done by any means. JFB chopping around a little bit. JFB might be getting ready to wash.
YCBD could be done now. After
Yeah,
that,
we like YCBD. I mean, that thing's manipulative. Bigger picture there should be very fruitful.
Why? Yeah, YCBD. If all the attention, honestly, I know you're in BQ or like, you good there?
No, no, I'm not in it. I
Oh,
stopped
okay.
out. I took $50
So
hit.
if all the attention goes to BQ, we're gonna be looking pretty YCBD.
Mm-hmm. And I mean, it's not moving off anything significant. I mean, they had decent earnings, and like an analyst said they liked it, but I mean, there's nothing really substantial going on there.
JFB, I'd like that one to stay heavy here. 1150 is kind of a
Yeah, I don't
stop
want to
on it.
see some strength come. Break up some stops here.
I like how you do that. 11 order just showed up.
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to see it.
YCP is very interesting because they just reeled bulls in. It feels like just bag holder audition for days. We did tap. Well, we pretty much tapped where we wanted to. Not quite, but it's close. Reclaim out of a halt. Yeah, they might. It's probably going to be choppy. Yeah, I think Trust Wallet is like the fees are annoying, but if you just need a little bit, you want to eat like $1 or $2 fee to get that money over. Like you'll be able to get it in your account within like 30 minutes or less, probably. They move quick. So like if I need to get in a crypto exchange quick, I'll just eat the fees. I'll use Trust Wallet. I'll send it to my Fimex, and then Fimex gives you 50x leverage. So I mean, whatever you're trying to do with crypto, you can do it over there.
Yeah, JFB feels on elevator watch. If that one does elevator down, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be payday. But it's
Mhm.
slowly curling. I'm not gonna give it a ton of room.
Yeah,
It's either gonna snap. It's like a ride or ride out kind of trade. We're either gonna snap here soon.
I like that. What do you have? Ride or ride out shirts or
Yeah,
hat?
yeah. Did a couple of those stitched, the embroidered rider. Yeah, take a look. Zoom in on the rider ride out. It's pretty cool. I like
That's
the.
cock is pumping. Not yet. That's later. It's too early for that. You got to focus on work. Is it
Yeah.
really though? Is that a troll? Cock?
Ah, shit.
Cock pumping? What is it? JFB?
Yeah, I got a nasty exit fill.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got. It might test 12 one more time, bro. In
You
reality,
gave it all the way up there.
I got 11.6 and 12 over 12. But I'm looking at the chart. I probably need to put like 11.8 because I'm just gonna get stopped out on this little backfill.
Yeah, I just got a nasty fill.
I'm seeing VWAP on 5 minutes at
Yeah.
12.
Eric, we're leaning short there. I should have sized down, given it just a little bit more room.
YCBD is going to be interesting. If it's done, like you said, there's just so much room there. Like that's like an account funder type trade. When one of those dollar plays gets moving like that and gives it up, I'm not covering till the gap fill at 106. Personally, you can do what you want.
Do what you want.
2 hours later, blew my account.
Yeah, because hasn't all the hype's moved on to something else. YCBD, I'm in 162 short. I didn't hit it again up there. I couldn't out of the hall. So,
Yeah.
where did all the attention move to? Is it BQ? Yeah, BQ is in the halt up, and then
Mhm.
YCBD is in the halt down. So,
Yeah, JFB is definitely heavy. I've been working that thing since after hours Friday. It's been paying me nice.
oh, YCBD!
Oh
Oh
my
my
god,
God!
dude.
We just opened up in the 140s. Is it gonna buy up here or stay heavy?
No way, dude.
Is this thing flushing back down to $1? Now's the time to get aggressive on the short side, right? Because now longs are
That's
stuck.
crazy, dude. Yeah, big
I'm
time. Like I
gonna.
said, I'm looking for a 106 cover. I mean, that's my That's my
Working against the highs essentially now. Yeah, I'm gonna add to it on the funded on like I'm working it against the highs now. 188, like we should
yeah.
not
Maybe a
reclaim
sloppy
188.
sloppy fill to like 1.7 something. Like,
We should not
are
reclaim
we able to enter now? Because this halt rule and all this stuff.
and the volatility roll. I don't think I can. You're right. I'll just write it down to $1 then. It's all good.
Is it 30 seconds after a hold or 1 minute? Like, I don't even know.
I think it said 1 minute, but again, on the funded, yeah, thank you for the reminder. I can't hit this because of the volatility rule.
I think I screwed up and took it all too soon, dude. I saw all that profit. I hate these rules, man. This thing really
Nah,
does.
this is a, I mean, my stops in the high 180s and letting this thing work. This
You
thing
want to say
should be
hey to
back.
everyone?
This thing should stay heavy against 180s now.
Yeah, I would think so.
It feels done. BQ is gonna get the attention. Wow, dude, what a halt down and open up.
Yeah, they trap bulls like big time, bro.
Big time, dude.
Massive bulls.
That's how it feels. I mean, bulls are trapped. Why CBD? I'm gonna set the stop 180s, and otherwise, like kick back with this thing, dude. This thing may go into another halt down. Like it's been halting up, and normally when they start giving back that, then it just starts halting down.
Right.
So here we go lower. What a beauty, man. What a freaking beauty. This thing is dumping, fades, dumping.
Yes, sir.
Are you still with it?
Yeah, I'm covering at $1, bro. Remember?
I thought you said something about you took it too early, but
I did. I freaked out. I was up like way too much out of the halt, and I took it. It's probably not going to count, but it's fine. Yeah. I'm gonna do.
what are you
I'm
gonna
looking
do?
for a picture play to $1.
Yeah, same. I mean, I'll probably take half off at like $1.20 or something. Got to kind of milk this one. JFB I got an awful fill on that, unfortunately. So
Yeah, but it's still heavy. I mean, as long
I
as
could hit it again. Yeah.
My stops there are 11.8 and 12.2. I'm giving it room.
Impressive work, Uzo Trades. Yeah, you got to be comfy in the red with these, man. It's like that's the hard part. BQ's open.
That was great analysis on that too.
Yeah, but I'm always early, Fades. Like it's annoying.
What's BQ doing? Is it Nightmare Zone or what's this do?
And YCBD, I mean, it's bouncing VWAP, but yeah, I do like this thing in like the 120s.
Yeah, dollar. Yeah, dollar gap fill, inevitable. It could bounce here. I mean, it did fill. It did put a gap above at 1.7 now, unfortunately. So hopefully they don't come back for that first. It's like not a bad idea if you can take profit to hit it and resmack it, but you got to be careful on which account you're trading. JFB kind of trickling again. YCB 1.5 might hold us resistance. That'll be good to see. Let's see if that trade counted because it could have been long enough.
Yeah, I'm very curious what they're going to do with YCBD. I mean, I would like to hit it again. I got the 8% on the last 4 minutes could mess me up.
Yeah, if you're worried about all that, just hop. See, Kings of the Day are where evals get funded now. Unfortunately, we have to be degenerates because we're not worried about the volume rule at all, right? Because there's so much volume, we're not worried about the volatility rule because it's not a thing on evals. So unfortunately, we kind of have to play it like that. in my opinion.
I am gonna smack it again on a pop up here, really into the high 150s.
Yeah, like I said, I mean, worst case scenario, maybe a gap fill like right above 1.7s, but it's pretty heavy, man. It feels heavy. JFB as well, feeling heavy. I want to see YCBD just give it up here and not hold 1.5 because if it holds 1.5, it might want to play around a little bit.
Uzo trades short on BQ. BQ's in the
Yeah,
nines. Wow. Yeah,
it
thing's
grinded
all.
back up.
Wow.
Yeah, it grinded back up. Careful, it's king of the day on like an algorithmic trend there.
They could squeeze that thing high. And hopefully, I mean, if that thing stays the king of the day, YCBD is going to be the fader.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Well, BQ did reach kind of that upper wick top, MG, that it did have recently. I'll show you the chart on that real quick. BQ. Yeah, here. I mean,
Okay.
it's nasty. This thing kind of grinding higher. It had a top up here, upper wick 980s. I can't believe it reclaimed that. It just look at the 50
YCB
minute.
now feels like MSS earlier, like just it's worth tunneling. Like if it ain't broke, they'll fix it. Kind
Yeah,
of.
yeah, exactly. YCBD's been beautiful, guys, and lower. We're getting lower there. We may halt down. This thing cracked under VWAP heavy. We're going to halt down YCBD. Excellent work, traders. Excellent work. This is the green team for a reason. Money on the way. Show me what you think. Oh, baby.
Print
Oh, baby.
it, print it, print it. Let's go.
I'm going to take half off and kick back with the leftovers there. YCBD. Let's get paid, fellas. Let's get paid. Adjusted stop's going to be in the mid 150s. That recent high I just put in for me on leftovers there. Good. Good, good, good. Everybody get that? YCBD. Right up to resistance and straight on down. All right. JFB, I got upper wicked on that. That messed aggravated me, but the stop was too tight there. BQ's higher. Be mindful of BQ, guys. That one's higher. It's taking the king of the day, which is why YCBD is still fading. So again, like Fade said, you want to kind of focus the plays that's heavy. Not necessarily the king of the day. Like what's the other king? What was the king? It's like it's a smaller time frame hangover, right, Fades?
Who lost his
Smaller,
crown? You know, which king lost the crown?
right. Dude,
Yeah, baby.
I mean, ideally, YCB doesn't just pop straight up here. I want that one to stay heavy. Stay under VWAP. Yeah, Eric, we saw that with QMMM not too long ago. I will say what's a little surprising to me for BQ, it's halted up again. What is surprising, I know the Chinese plays have been doing that.
It's brutal.
Yeah, exactly. Eric just brought up QMMM too. Riggers got bagged, yeah. And Eric, they T12'd QMMM. That one Friday at like 7:50, they halted it probably for months.
Is it?
So yeah,
It's still just stuck right now.
it's stuck
Yeah,
in that
that
T12.
feels sketchy, dude. I
Why
wonder how they
speed
treat us
deal?
that on like trade the pool. How they would like treat that trade. I guess just
Yeah, I know because again, I mean that happened at 7:50, so I wouldn't have been in it. But yeah, Sketch City,
seriously.
Chinese plays.
Mm-hmm.
Sketch City.
So YCBD trying to get back up to that 1.5 needs to stay heavy there. There's a slim chance it could gap fill at 172 in top gap fill, but there's also a gap fill at 106 that we're looking at.
Yeah, I have a 154 stop on leftovers. I'd like it to stay heavy against that area.
BQ will definitely be one to just Hawkeye, right? Like just bird's eye view on that until it confirms.
Yeah, once
Uh,
that thing halts down, what we can look for is essentially what YCBD did. I mean, that's
just
exactly
wait,
what.
yeah, just wait for a halt down because it's
Yeah,
like otherwise it's just not worth getting involved. Really, it's too soon, right? Like, and if you are trying to get involved, with, like I just won't even do it. But very small size if you're trying to trade it like right now. JFB, it works. It works till it doesn't. It's still showing, still doing what we want it to do. You know, it's not
good.
pumping.
Perfect fall got that up and loaded. So good work.
Okay, awesome,
Thank
dude.
you, Fades.
Yeah.
MSS. Oh my God, why can't? Are you still working this one?
No, I took it off watch. I was about to smack it off twos, and I should have just left it. Like it gave so many opportunities, even at $2. Like it was a perfect level. If you go on a smaller time frame, like the risk was there. Like still a good setup, but it's up 100%. I mean, there's still meat, but I like my odds with JFB and YCBD better now for the fades. Besides that, BQ is on a heavy watch. Just going to be stalking that thing, and yeah, YCBD getting a little rowdy here. See if one
Yeah,
five holds. That's what we want it to do.
I'm gonna try to milk this thing backside YCBD. I mean, I have leftovers there working, but if they get taken out, I'm gonna look for a re-entry on this thing. Like
Mm-hmm.
right here, I want to see what it's gonna do on this 150 pop. Yeah, it took me
Mm-hmm.
out leftovers.
Yeah,
So, I mean, I don't mind smacking this thing again. I think it stays heavy, dude, against the highs there.
I think so. Yeah, like I said, I called for that 1.7 that it might fill there, so maybe that's what it's going to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit it again here.
Feels like a
150.
sloppy level. Yeah,
I'm gonna hit it again here. Is it halting up?
it might.
Yeah, it looks to be almost halted up. YCBD.
It's
I'm gonna
like
smack
faking
it
us now.
again, and the risk is gonna be the 180s. Like this thing back up to 180 would be nasty.
Oh
I don't. I mean,
yeah,
it could happen, but that's where the stop's gonna be.
absolutely hideous.
That would be. That would be fun. This thing going up to 180. Those reclaims, like those are disgusting.
It might very well fill that silly gap.
Yeah, pop up towards 170. I hit it again, and then 180 is my risk on YCBD. I definitely don't want that thing at 180. I mean, that's where the longs are stuck, so that's where you want it to stay heavy against.
Yeah. Oh, big wick, big wick. BQ
Okay.
boiler room pump there.
YCBD, beautiful. Good job on that rehit, anybody who took that. God, dude, awesome. That thing's gonna halt down.
Man, this thing is freaking wiki
I knew that
west.
thing was money in the bank, Shotty. What you
What a
think?
wild wiki wonderland, dude.
Oh, and BQ. Oh my God, that thing's in the 1230s now.
Wild
Jeez.
wiki west YCBD, bro. Oh my god.
Well, we knew on sloppy seconds there she was likely going to do this. Now I have a 158 entry. I would like to hold this, but let's see what she gives. I'd be at my high water mark if I took it here. My
Wiki
emotional side wants to take it to be at the high water mark, but the smart part of me says this thing's going to 120, kick back. Always got that degenerate side on one shoulder fades.
Mm-hmm. I
Always that
swear,
one.
bro.
Yeah.
I s-
Well, with BQ, Oh my god, dude, BQ. I looked and it was at 13, and I looked again and it was at 10.
Oh my God. BQ,
Oh,
is that
oh,
it?
oh, oh, oh.
I'm in.
You degenerate. YCBD. Oh, now this one's gonna pop maybe because of that.
Yeah,
God.
pumping on us now.
Well, YCBD's popping up, dude, because BQ,
Yeah.
because of the BQ madness. When the PDT goes to 2,000, there's gonna be it's pretty much this is what every ticker's gonna look like straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down.
Yeah, these moves are crazy, dude. Absolutely insane. Just absolute insanity.
I really didn't like that bounce there, so I don't know. I mean, 180 is still the
Yeah.
idea, but I didn't like that right there at all. That was kind of nasty. Bouncing off VWAP right there. Man, I had that predictable
Yeah.
piece. Probably should have taken it off.
Such an annoying pump, dude. Like, what kind of like true wild Wiki West action there? Like,
I think I'm going to take it off YCBD. I don't know. I really didn't like that pop off of VWAP. I'll give it to 175. But I feel like I'm going to get wicked out. I hated that pop right there.
Mm-hmm. Put my courage to the test.
Yeah, I'll give it to 175 and see what it does.
And then washed out in the wild Wiki West.
It's because BQ gave everything up, and then all the longs just hopped on over here at YCBD.
Yeah, dude. Like the
It's like
algorithm.
literally, you could sense it. Like BQ halted down, and immediately YCBD just shoots straight up.
It's like short cap algorithms, dude. Like it's got to be because like retail can't be that. I mean, I guess they can. You know what I'm saying? But it's instant. Like what a pump. God, YCBD, you freaking pig.
It's really choppy for a penny play like this. Like you get more continuation on these plays oftentimes, but now it's like it's almost trying to squeeze like another round of shorts out. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's freaking frustrating.
I'm not giving it a ton of room. I may take it off here shortly.
Yeah, I'm stop at 176. I'm becoming
Okay,
less of a
same.
fan of it for sure.
Yeah, 176 here too.
Because that gives room for that little gap at like right above 17 to fill. Okay, what do we got with BQ now? We got maybe resumption in a minute, potential resumption in a minute there. JFB continuing to pay, starting to pay.
Yep.
So you're going to fade
Yep.
off. YCB, I mean, over 1.7 would just be like insane. Like it's just when the manipulation starts,
Okay. Here we go.
it's hard to beat it when it gets to that degree. Like, it really
Yeah, look at that sell off and then bounce up from 154. So if this gets balled up here, I mean, this is when we can adjust risk because it wouldn't be looking great. You know, it's not
Right.
looking great when you start seeing lower wicks coming in on pullbacks. It means they're
Even
trying to.
171 now. I'm thinking about just bringing it down to that wick.
Yeah.
At 171. I mean, there's a gap on the chart, so I just hate for it to hit like 172 and then cover. I guess I'll do 173 now.
Same.
So I mean, like you said, we don't want to see it wick back over that reclaim. Like,
So it balled up on that pullback. That's not great. I mean,
BQ will be maybe trading here in like 20 seconds.
This thing's gonna wake us out, dude.
Yeah, it's annoying. 173 stop, man. Uh, yeah, and that's the thing, man. With these plays, you gotta be dialed in. Like stop. Like I got screwed there. I thought we were weak, and all of a sudden I step away for a second,
Yep.
and
Yep.
it's
Yep.
like right back up.
It's
But I mean,
almost like you.
there we
It
go.
feels.
Resumption. BQ. Lower. Watching. God, it's so spready. I couldn't even get a freaking fill, man. I hate these. Dude, these freaking spreads suck so bad with TTP, dude. Like, what did I even get filled? Like, man, are you kidding me, dude? These freaking spreads, bro.
I'm monitoring it here, see if we're gonna get another halt down.
I'm screwed up. I should have had an order out. What are we thinking risk level with BQ? What is
Probably
that?
back up to 11. I wouldn't really like.
I took it off. I'll chase it if it gets lower, but it's just kind of it's choppy, man. That's market maker field day right now, dude. Like, they're just
Yeah.
market makers just having a freaking heyday on that thing right now.
Uzo trades. You were slow scaling that, huh? Because it worked out on that elevator down. The elevator down.
Yeah,
YCBD, come
if
on,
you talk,
stay heavy.
JFB is still heavy too. Yeah, that was so annoying, dude.
Yeah,
It's like
sorry.
the difference in a couple $100 and not like that BQ just because of the spreads, right? Like we open
Kind of
up
a
and
decent entry here on this pop.
yeah, tempting. But it's the MMs are having a field day there. I don't like those spreads, man. It's like I feel like I got to play it so small. I think I'm just gonna stick with YCB with this conviction off that 1/7s level. Um, not get BQ too much. But BQ is up 250%, so it's definitely worth giving it a little stab probably. Just didn't like that reclaim off the haul, but if it gets weak again, I'll definitely be smacking. Key levels here. I think for me at this point, I want to see it like wash out below where we halted because I can just chase it. It's on a trend line, guys. Careful if you're in it now. It's kind of bouncing on its trend. I'm gonna be watching for it to break down like 9.5s. I want to see 9.5s get back down there. Spready.
The annoying thing with YCBD is it's kind of formed this trend that you talked about. It's kind of aggravating, like this junk ticker form. Let me look at this trend we got. So the trends down here at like VWAP 144. I mean, it topped out 170 there. We'll see if it stays heavy on this trend and crack it, but yeah, it's got a decent trend line to it. So we just need to see if we're gonna stay heavy on it or if it's
BQ.
gonna
I
come
think I'm
straight.
gonna take some and maybe give it $11. Yeah, they're both like junky, trying to kind of trend, but not like JFB slowly working, guys, slowly fading there. Good job. Um, YCB is starting to get a little heavier.
A little heavy, but we got that trend 140s, mid 140s. We want to keep our eye on YCBD
BQ.
under 150 and then mid 140s. It's just like if it does another round of accumulating shorts, it's gonna be so aggravating. I think I'm gonna bring down my stop on YCBD to like the top of that last high I just put in.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Ideally, we just elevator down into 130s. 150s attempting to hold right now.
I'm trying BQ off at 10.6 now.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Yeah, and then
It feels like it
YCB.
lost its steam, right? Feels like it lost
Which
its
one?
steam a bit. BQ.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, YCBD. Let's see if 150 can crack under. That trend is interesting. It's coming right down to that trend, guys. Here, I'm going to spotlight it. 150, 144. Like, there's a lot of support at the areas coming down to. So, I mean, again, I'm in a short here, 158. I'd like to see a snap under that, stay heavy, but
Yeah,
I'll
you want to see that
probably.
elevator.
But it could bounce. It could bounce there.
Yeah, 1.5 is key. And 1.5 is definitely key. See how it reacts here. BQ, you piglet. It's just wiki, man. It should be heavy, but it's just you got to give it so much room with the spreads and the manipulation. It's annoying.
Feels like it's on elevator watch.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, there. Some buyers stepping into YCBD right there at that trend. See what it does right here.
BQ.
So, yeah, BQ's the king. Curling back around. Oh, yeah, there YCBD, they're buying that one up a little bit. Again, my stop, I'm bringing it down to like 168, that top. That.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think after the halt down that we would be staying in play like this, you know?
Yeah, that one's been gross. It's like it worked out. BQ, it's just hard to get involved there because it's so choppy, but like a very small size with good risk could pay. It's up to 50% now and kind of figuring out what it wants to do. YCB, I mean, it's still a good risk level off like the 1.7, but it's just kind of churning up now. So, yeah, it's grinding. So annoying.
It's very annoying. I'm gonna reduce the risk to like 165. Like seriously, I'm not giving it much room at all.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it feels like it might just pump once.
I'm taking it off YCBD.
Yeah.
God dang it.
Freaking piglet, dude.
Hey, it was a good bounce play. I did call that bounce play. I didn't take it though.
Good discipline. It's all good.
Oh, QMMM suspended by the SEC. Wow.
Nice.
EQ looking heavy. Man, I might have to take that one.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
1070 is looking real heavy there.
Real heavy.
Oh, it's going halt down? Maybe.
Don't you
I'm gonna take a little piece there on BQ. I'll take a little piece there.
Okay. Yeah. I'm with you.
I don't know if it'll count this trade,
Yeah,
but
off a little bit.
like back up towards 11, probably the risk guide on it. Back up towards 11.
Mm-hmm. Can't believe YCB after that action, man. What a market maker field day on that. Annoying.
Well, it looks like a good stop.
Yeah, there's that gap fill that I was calling for, which could be top. It's tricky to get me off. Just look at the indicators, baby. Won't you please? Won't you break my heart? Prophet targets waiting, not that far away.
Yeah, BQ looks kind of top heavy here too, but it's real spready on TTP, so it's hard to it's hard to say.
Mhm. JFB just definitely on elevator watch as well.
Okay. Yeah, that one's just been sitting there.
YCBD definitely turned to the king of the day.
Wow. Yeah, I'm glad I took that off. I mean, we recognized it with YCBD. It was just like it was holding up. It felt like they were accumulating
Mm-hmm.
shorts again, like another round of accumulation there.
Therefore,
So
BQ is probably going to wash as well. With that
it's
being said.
crazy how these two have been working like that together.
Mm-hmm. It's like the new runners, yeah, the king of the days,
Yeah,
the Elon.
yeah. BQ, I'm with it. I mean, we'll see what it does. I, if they're trapping shorts here too for another accumulation round, I'll probably step out of the way, like I did with YCBD. Try to
Mm-hmm.
milk YCBD, but yeah,
Yeah, right. Can't get
you just
out
take
of
what
the
it gives.
fire.
Yeah. Yeah, just BQ, YCBD, monitoring both of those right now. Outside of that, kicking back.
Don't you fake me, oh girl, don't you start to scream. YCBD, what a freaking reclaim. Yeah.
Unbelievable reclaim. I
It's
cannot.
I mean, it found base. It
And
wasn't
halt up.
totally predictable, but it's just like, man, we just didn't see that coming with the nature of the ticker.
Yeah, we didn't like some of
The,
those
the,
pops. We could tell. We could
yeah,
tell.
the technicals do make sense. It definitely turned into a grinder. It just, yeah, frustrating.
BQ feels heavy, but is that one going to pop now? Craziness out here right now.
Yeah, yeah, it's real choppy, guys. Size small. Be careful.
Thinking about stepping away if this BQ doesn't work out because I'm just kind of giving profits back.
Yeah, same here. Nothing's really working right now.
I mean, I have like a 1080 stop on
Just
BQ.
have to
Try to get
size
over.
super small at this
I
point with these
know.
changes. Just so
I know.
manipulated. You got to kind of think like big picture and size small at this point. That's what it feels like.
What's your stop, BQ?
I'm thinking right now it's like high tens, but
But they may wake us out there.
yeah, they could come for it. I don't know, man. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect fall. You were gonna get that MSS. MSS, such a good fader. Yeah, that one's like in hindsight, I know you would have taken it, but man, it was like in the 180s now. Such a beauty. YCBD halted up. We'll see what if BQ's gonna try to get another climb here. Head back on down south. I'm trying to work it. WOLF. You mentioned that one earlier. I just saw that on the scans.
Yeah, is that what happened there? Because it was up like a 1,500%. Some kind of split or something. Like,
Oh, that one's been halting everywhere.
is that an actual move? Like,
That one's
just or is
been
it like
wolf
what's the deal
speed.
with it?
Okay, is that an actual move? Oh my god. It does look like a split, doesn't it? Let me take a look. Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Um, trading suspended with shareholders to receive substituted new common stock under a reorganization plan. Yeah, news there
Huh.
is very interesting. Anybody with more insight there, let us know. And then BQ just tried to pop and got slammed.
Yeah, it did. Elevator watch, guys.
Elevator watch, BQ. Elevator watch. Is it over?
Man, this thing
Or
is
is
so
it?
spready, guys. God, I hate this ticker spreads, man. It's like trying to get filled on market order. Good luck. Good God. Um,
I'm gonna bring this. Yeah, the stop on BQ is just hard. It's hard to know how to play that one because of the spready
mhm.
nature of it. It's almost got to be a big picture play. Like, do you see this
Yeah.
thing fading lower today towards 7 or against pretty much like the 11, 12 highs?
YCB resumed down, resumed open lower. YCBD.
They resumed lower. Wow.
They
Okay.
just they washed it down 20 cents, and they washed it down 20 cents, and now they're waking it back up. Oh my God,
This action's nasty out here. Just stay safe, guys.
dude. Yeah, this is
Size
bad
down.
action.
Size down because this
Yeah.
is brutal action. Even BQ, I'm trying to.
YCBD, think it would be nice to see a sweep up at like 2, and then wash down from there, right? The EMA, the test, like maybe that's what we're gonna get here. Like
Even
a
BQ,
swift
I'm
pop and
like, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do there because this action's been crazy.
yeah, if it reclaims above that wick, even that's gonna be sketchy. Like 10-6, 10-7, yeah, shouldn't be getting back above there.
You didn't get off of what, James? You didn't take YCBD off? Wait, and you,
YCBD is probably gonna tap that level now. That's crazy how, man, dude, that's some massive manipulation there, bro.
hey, have some orders out if you're in BQ because y-
It's a
otherwise it's hard to
fifth
get a fill. Yeah,
elevator watch.
I'm gonna put an 850 order out on it. Like, try to get something off.
YCBD on watch for the top, but not in it. Studying it. If it starts to get slammed down, I'll be out. BQ
BQ,
workout.
no.
B and BQ are starting to slowly give it up here. Hopefully that'll just continue.
Well, BQ, we'll see.
What else do we got? Anything else on
Bunch.
scanner? MSS basing POAI gave it up. That's it, really. YCBD. YCBD put a big wick in there at 194.
All right, BQ. I'm taking it off.
Okay.
I'm at I'm right at my high water mark on the day, and this action. I just want to
Yeah,
try for a second. This
yeah,
action's hit.
pretty choppy. YCB getting some interesting action here.
Are you getting involved?
I'm in small off that wick. I think that was a sweep there, to be honest. Looks like it. It's kind of chasing out at this point. It's like one of those you had to really be kind of tunneling in on almost.
James, I'm so sorry to hear that, man. I did that last Monday, and it was gut wrenching. Like, hit 200 on the day, and then you gave just back your profits, or you max lost on the day too? Because I gave back my profits and max lost. It's brutal when that happens. I'm so sorry, man. And you said you were going to step away too. That's even worse. I'm sorry to hear that, man.
Hmm. I know. I've been there so many
Oh,
times.
you hit the max. God dang it. That's
Yeah, today things turned around really quick. We had a lot of momentum, and then it just like shit on us.
Yeah, yeah, I
It is.
did.
It's like that's why we have to protect our risk, guys, because like that can happen. Like things can change very quickly. Like, don't get too comfortable, and that's the problem because it's like then you get less. You're not as good to take your winners, right? Or you want to. It's just tricky. You know, it's always
I
tricky.
I like the size small enough where I can like I feel like I can see I can think, on like
Mhm.
YCBD like we've seen these charts thousands and thousands of times, but if I'm in small enough like I can see what it's doing. If I size
Mhm.
heavy, I start not seeing. I start
Yeah.
just focusing P&L.
Uh huh. It's true.
All right. Yeah, I hate to hear that, James. I know how it feels because I was there last week. It sucks. But try to focus on the fact that you did well earlier and just apply that to the rest of the week. And 200 a day the rest of this week, you'll be good. That's exactly what happened to me last week. Max lost it all, Max lost, and then the rest of the week got funded. So you can do
Yeah,
it.
and having the discipline to walk away on the max loss, I'm sure it hurts. You probably have that urge to keep trading, but it's probably not a good idea to keep trading, right? Like the emotions are probably in check, and it sucks because like especially when you see good setup still, and you're like, man, should I hit it again? But it's like your mindset's off, so it's almost better to just feel that pain and kind of feel that FOMO because of what happened and kind of grow from it, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not a fun topic, but
Good work, perfect fall and BQ.
yeah, I'm still
Yeah,
working on it.
I don't know. I mean,
YCBD is giving it up.
I hate that ticker.
I hate it too, but I'm pretty convicted here after that sweep.
JFB
JF,
working out, dude. God, that chart's great. JFB and BQ working out. Wow, good call. You were all over JFB. You were all over the JFB. Let's pull up that chart. Excellent. I mean, gave sloppy seconds this morning right up to pre-market resistance, up towards 13. Rejected
hmm
off of that and just faded all day. I mean, that was a really good trade. Good eye. All right,
yeah,
YCBD hit the 200-day moving average this time. I mean, it's still these lower wicks I don't like. It's still kind of bullish on this uptrend, right? I mean,
right.
the VWAP 150, 155. Clearly, I mean, it's up a ton. So I like to short,
Starting to get, yeah, starting to get those wicks there.
190s as a clear area to risk off of. I don't know. The 194 was exactly the 200-day moving average. I may hit it one more time, risking the high a day.
hmm
That's what I'm thinking.
That's my opinion. I mean, that's my trade right now in it.
All right, I'm gonna hit it.
I made some, I gave some up, but I like that wick at that EMA, like we talked about, that 195 wick. A lot of resistance here, 1.8s, 1.9s. So, the risk is there.
I'm gonna risk 194 on it. Putting the stop in right now. And we'll see if this thing can crack or at least head down towards that trend. Maybe crack under. I mean, the trend's down at like low 150s on this thing. Trend is down towards those low 150s.
hmm
Shorts still could be underwater here and they could squeeze it further. But I mean, it's a decent chart. Hit the 200 perfectly. I sized it way too heavy too early, per usual. BQ, what did she do? Are you all good
She,
there? Perfect fall?
I took a leftover position.
Is there anything else? I'm gonna flip through some plays.
No, it seems like you're slowing down now.
Zura's kind of interesting still. I mean, it's given entries. Green on it for now. Good. Mr. Doug, part of the green team this morning. What's going on, Doug? How are you doing? You working or you trading? All right, YCBD, come to daddy. Come to daddy. Good to see you in here, Doug. Hope you're doing well. I know you've been practicing on the sim here lately. How's that been going? For those that are just now getting in here, I did my interview with the CEO, Michael Katz, earlier today, this morning. It was like 7:30, and that should be coming out in a few weeks. But that was a good time. Going over just the funded account. YCBD putting in another lower wick. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm done. I'm about to be done with this ticker.
Freaking annoying, man.
I'm going to shut the computer down if this ticker doesn't work out. I mean, likely it just keeps trapping. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. But that lower wick down to 160.
Yeah, it's the great king of the day grinder, man.
Yeah, I'm about to be done with it. My stop's still at 194, but I mean, this thing going straight up from here to 194 would be... That reclaim would just be so disgusting. At a certain point, it's like you got to step away. James had the right idea. Like, you got to just step away if you're good and green on the day, because I could go into tilt mode pretty easily with what's going on here.
Oh yeah, it's choppy action for sure.
The action's so choppy, dude.
Real choppy.
Every time it looks weak, it just gets that bounce.
Yeah. Lunch is approaching us, so man, monitor these plays. Don't over leverage. Don't over risk. Anything else worth watching or noting? There's probably some fruit to pick with the hangovers. We got a little occupied. There's a lot of movers today. And when there's stocks that are up hundreds of percent like we had, like there was a lot of meat to pick. So I would put those, like, as long as they're bearish, right? Like the MSS.
Yeah,
and
BIAF was great. Like, I should
priority.
size that,
Yeah,
BIAF
like,
was great.
I prioritize those over like a hangover setup, right? If it's bearish and up 100-something% on the day, like fading, because there'll definitely be more meat to pick, as we saw. Yeah, started out hot, got choppy, Monday shenanigans.
Yeah, it feels like this is one. I got the stop 194, just kick back, like I walk away essentially, come back later. This thing could be at 130, could be at the highs, whatever.
Yeah,
It's
tunnel in and get trapped into oversizing
it. Right, because it is choppy. Just set the stop and kind of move along. Yeah. BQ spreads, yeah, crazy, perfect fall. Thank you, Uzo. I'm excited for you guys to see that. And again, got the green team merch going, so I'm excited to get my hat in the mail this week. But I know some of you were wanting that going on Friday night, our live stream. It was a great time. So
yeah, that was fun, man.
That was awesome. Yeah, I love those Friday night live streams. Just kicking back, because otherwise, waiting the whole weekend to be with the green team, talking trading, it's too long.
And plus, like, we're so dialed in here with trading and commentating and everything. It's like nice to just kind of kick back a little bit.
Yeah, it is. All right, YMCA is selling off, or YCBD.
YCBD.
Let's get a halt down.
The longs are all stalling and went to lunch break, and the shorts are taking over now.
We cannot buy up here. We cannot. I repeat, we cannot see a lower wick here. We need. It's on the trend.
Bull trapping here, like.
Yeah, look at the trend. It's right on it. Let's sell crack under it. Not do the little trappy.
And here we go again, dude. BQ gaining traction as this thing dumps a little bit. It's like textbook at this point.
It is, yeah, they're. Oh, baby. Oh, YCBD. It's right here. It's heavy on the trend. Are we going to crack? Are we going to crack? We are cracking. We're heading to the
Good
blue line.
girl. Come on. Come to Papa. 106 Phil. Papa needs his 106 Phil.
May halt down.
Come on to Papa. Need my 1-6 Phil,
I
Kevin.
need my 1-6, Phil. It may halt down low 150s. Don't buy up here. I'll take it. Whatever. I shouldn't take it, but I'm at high water mark. It's been a trappy day. I'll take it. This is probably good cracking this trend. So if you're with it, good work. You could scale out and probably leave leftovers against the highs. But she should be good. Good. Had a good green day on the funded today, so I'm happy about that. Because it was not an easy-ish kind of day. But yeah, YCBD, this one, cracking that trend. We'll monitor it against that level. How'd you end up doing fades?
I'm small green right now. I was up decent green, but I got chopped up the last little bit. That's all right. I'm starting to hit the brakes. So I'm going to continue working these and just kind of, if they continue to work them. If they go against me, just, take a break. So,
Yeah, that's the right approach. Certainly is the right approach to let the winners work. See, I like as the day progresses, I start making worse decisions.
our
Anyways,
mental capacity and the setups aren't as good. And
that's what happened. Like I'm so disciplined early on, but then last Monday, I tilted out very end of the day. I get exhausted, and some of these plays that I'm like, I leave all the plays to work, and then they all like reclaim and stop me out. And it's like today would have been a massive day if I would have just taken profits, when I was in the profits. But I'm trying not to practice that, just always. But that does happen as the day progresses. I'm like, I just start taking things off when I should leave it on. Because of the action, like on BQ, YCBD, the reclaims. We'll see if YCBD is going to hold. 150s, it cracked the trend. But, we got the 150 and VWAP to monitor there, too.
I'm
but guys,
looking for bigger picture.
Yeah. Are you looking for a all-day fader there, just kick back?
Yeah, hoping so. But it's choppy and churny, so we'll see.
You hoping that turns into EMSS?
Yeah, so I'm working those three guys going into the close and here. BQ, JFB, and JCBD. Just gonna monitor and work those until they prove otherwise. So.
Yeah, on the eval, I'm on both of those, JFB and BQ, and then on the funded, I'm liquidated right now. But
okay, nice.
I ended up 65 on the day on the funded, which I was sizing fairly small. But I'll take it.
Good. Yeah.
Back to green on it. So if I withdraw 70% right now, I have $16, baby.
Yeah, that's pure cash now, so there's no point in oversizing or forcing trades or this or that. Like save all the degeneracy for the eval. Like funded's just good setups, like small size, and just because it's easy to let those get away from you. The losses on the funded. The next thing you know, you lose your funded and you're back to square one. So it's way better to just be very cautious than to be aggressive with those. BQ just stopped me out. Things getting rowdy. I don't like that stock, man. What the heck? Like that thing's gonna end up like shooting to 15 or like holding down to $5 type of vibe. I don't know which one it is. Like,
yeah, I'm about to stop out of it.
It feels like my edge there is less. I'm just gonna stick with YCBD.
That's a good point. That's a good point. I love the conversation with as far as I have less edge on something because again, it's like the hangovers. I want to size heavier on those, and then like these YCB, like the YCMCAs and the BQs, I want to size small, like smaller on those.
Yeah.
Because there's just the hangovers are such tight on the stop. That's what I like about them. Like if they don't work out, you're sized like 500 shares. You're still only going to lose like $50.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah, I just stopped out on the eval with BQ.
Yeah, BQ at this point, guys. I'm not touching it unless it gets to like 8.5. like under 9. I'm good on it. Don't even want it because it's up 250%, right? So why play with it on this bullish action? Like until it confirms lower, I'm fine. Um, so I'm gonna just continue working YCBD and JFB and just start kicking back. You know, it's lunch hour. Not gonna try to force anything. Um, see if anything else on the scanner. Busy morning. Didn't give the hangovers quite as much attention. On
Yeah,
Monday, hangovers can be a little finicky too over the weekend. You know.
yeah, BQ's squeezing right now. Yeah, I agree. I didn't give him as much either. Should have focused a little bit more.
But
But
tomorrow we'll definitely be on and you know have a better view of it. So,
yeah, so tomorrow,
you're going on trade the pool tomorrow, right? Yeah.
yeah, let me see. Let me look at the schedule real quick. Yeah, and then my wife's working, so I got to do the daddy bus route. So I
Okay.
probably won't be able to. I might. I'll be back at like 8:45, and
Yeah, we'll play it
can
by
hop
ear.
on
Maybe.
for like 30, 45 minutes before I head over there. So we'll touch base and see what.
Yeah. All right, man. Sounds good.
But yeah, good work, guys. Email everydaytrading@gmail.com if you have any questions, need any help. If you want to eval, 5% off in the description below. Outside of that, stay safe. It's choppy out here. We need to really. Honestly, Fates, like the theme of the day was size down and give them plenty of room. Like if you go in,
Mhm.
normally go in 100 shares, go in like 30,
Yeah.
40, give them
Yeah.
some space,
Yeah.
especially the BQs. But,
Preserve capital. Yeah.
but yeah, good work. We'll see you guys first thing in the morning. Good work, traders. Embrace the risk, accept the results. We will see you tomorrow.